refresh on my side to see if I'm back. What the hell just happened? I have no idea how this happened. The thing just decided to explode for absolutely no reason. Wop, 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 wop. I should be back now, or in a second. Yay! Okay, I should be back. I don't know what happened. Internet just decided to explode on my side. Boom! For no reason. Hang on, I want to see if I... It looks like I'm live. Internet just decided to explode. Yeah, I am live. Okay. What the hell just happened tonight? I don't know. I don't know. Everything exploded. Even Skype doesn't want me to, even Skype doesn't want to open. I just wanted to call back Shane. Where are you, Shane? Okay, there you go. Everything back. Almost. Open Lash Tools now. Keep calling refresh. Yeah, there you go. Refresh. I have no idea what just happened. We broke everything. Tal, thank you very much for the follow, my friend. Thank you very much for the follow. Don't know what happened.
Yo!
Yay! And also Theoretical Funk. Welcome aboard. Overheat at the end? No, the computer did not broke. Just internet. Internet just on that very computer, on the streaming computer, and everything is wired, and we are wired. I'm wired all the same thing. It all goes to a hub, and the hub just says push internet everywhere, but that's it. And
then it just died.
And it just like internet just died, so I rebooted and everything is good now. I will open the door though to eat, not to be sure to not overeat the thing. So again, Kojak, I'm gonna leave you with the audience. Entertain the audience. Do it. Why can't I do something? There we go. Somebody else team giveaway.
Everyone, blah blah blah. I can't even speak. No, it picks from everybody who messages stuff in chat. We can pull it from everybody watching, but the rate at which people don't respond is so high that we just now, like, you say anything and you're a part of the giveaway. But time to refresh the giveaway list. Yeah, good point. Good point. I don't know what Latch is doing. I wasn't listening, to be honest.
And I'm back. So, am I still down? No. We good?
You're here.
Right,
I hear you. You're good.
Sweet. We only lost about 150 viewers. That's all good.
Ah, they'll come back. They'll come back once they refresh.
Yeah. I hope so. No. It went down, Kojak. It's the opposite of what you said. It went from 110 to 79. Whoopsie! Well, meh. nothing I can do actually. So.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. We got a couple of people. And apparently the community is a huge thing that I have not ever checked out.
The what?
Yeah, if you go to the community page, I'm actually not really that huge into like game community pages on Steam, but that is apparently one place now that we have to watch.
Yeah.
Because we have a bunch of people posting screenshots of the Context 3D error.
Ah, okay. Whoopsie.
So I'm going through and I am messaging them, like replying and saying, hey, if you can just send us an email, like feedback@ZOMBIDLE, we'll get this sorted out.
Okay.
Because at least if it's so hard to just go and track all these different communities. If we can just like coalesce everything into one place.
Yep.
So much easier.
Yeah, but that's pretty much what we need. I mean, I don't think there's another solution.
There is no other solution. Like we just have to coalesce everything into one place that we can monitor.
Yeah, and if we forget one place, people will say like, "Hey, you're not active. You lazy dev." You know.
Yeah, exactly.
Like on Twitter, if we don't respond immediately, we just like get. Okay.
You need volunteer moderators. If we could figure something out for volunteer moderators, and their only job was to watch one community and just say, "Here, send them an email." Feedback@ZOMBIDLE. I would love that. Because we already have Lurklin helping us out, but I'm pretty sure he's even like overloaded. Okay.
I am starving. Shane is talking to me on Skype. What's up, Shane? No. Okay. Why?
Nope, I was just saying.
Okay.
Larklin is fine. He has no soul.
Oh, snap!
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, holy shit. So you can totally see how many people are playing ZOMBIDLE right now if you go to the community page.
Yeah, I see like 600 people, right?
Yeah, 667.
Nice.
That is...
that? Oh, that belongs to you.
Ooh, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, I could just look at my own achievements.
Yet another place I can press F5, F5, F5.
Yeah, I know. At this point, I'm just trying to ignore all stats, and I'm just looking for people with problems. Because if we can, catch these things before they burn to death, we'll be okay.
Oh, hang on, I got something to check out.
Sure.
So are you actively looking for the context read thing, or are you looking at that with the people right now?
I'm directing people to email me.
Okay.
I will look into it as soon as I can.
Okay.
Because some people, it could be anything. I'm not sure. I know the one guy that we were trying to help out with Twitch chat. He tried reinstalling Adobe Air. He tried reinstalling the game. That didn't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what else it could be. We might have to talk with the Starling guys.
Yeah, probably. See what's up with that, because we cannot open, we cannot put the game in vector in case that everything explodes. Those same guy, if they go on web, does it do the same thing?
I couldn't get a straight answer, and he's gone now.
Okay.
And
I forgot what I was about to say. You?
No, I was just gonna say that same dude also left a negative review, which I'm a little salty about, because we were trying to help him. But I just replied to the thing and I said, hey, like, send us an email. We'll get this sorted out.
Okay.
So hopefully, if we get it sorted out, like, we'll be all good to go and he'll be
Like,
happy.
you should not be. You should not need to reinstall Air though, because Air is already packed within the game. So I don't
You
even,
are 100% correct on that.
So I don't even think that if you install Air, it should even affect anything.
Yeah, and you shouldn't need to update Flash.
Nope.
Context 3D thing. Could it be something as simple as reinstalling their DirectX runtime? It could be a driver issue. That's very, very possible.
Probably
it could be
a driver issue, yeah.
Because wrong render mode. We are trying to do. We have no fallback if the game can't run in HD. And the game only runs. It could be a driver thing, totally, yeah. Because if the game or your graphics card doesn't support textures that are size 4068 or 4096, I don't remember, something like that.
Person having a 2007 computer.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I just saw that.
I cut you.
No, but you're totally right. I think the only thing it could be then is a driver issue.
Because wrong render mode, that's impossible because everyone would have the same thing. Missing device support, that has to be with the we don't call this the graphic. Like that's the only thing I can see. I can think. Like graphic card incompatibility.
You know what we could do is. Okay, what I think we might be able to do is, I don't know how it's possible, we might be able to do something with Vector, but if we notice Starling has failed, we can display a pop-up that says, hey, we were unable to start Starling, please close the game. The next time you'll open it, we will try standard definition.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we just try to start the game up with SD, and we just do baseline...
Okay, got it.
That should fix it. That should fix it.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, I get what you mean.
Because if we open the game in SD, then like every computer ever created, even your TI-86 calculator, like will run it.
Okay, and we flag something in version info that says like, hey, I'm not able to do X, Y, and Z.
Exactly, because all we have to do, if Starling fails, then we just detect it, and the next time we start up the game, we just save it like you are starting it in SD.
Yeah, totally agree, pretty sure that's... One thing I understand is Context 3D is not available. That seems like a, how can I say, an error that has been taken care of, but you remember when we don't put the Swift version thingy in the compiler option, we have an actual error?
Yes.
Okay, so when we have that error, we don't see that popping up afterwards. You know?
Oh, the reason why we,
Understand?
Yeah, I think I see.
I'm gonna recreate what I'm talking about.
Okay, yeah. Can you share your screen so that I can see it immediately?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. I appreciate it. Are there any log crash files created? My game just stopped responding. That wouldn't be a bad idea. But I should be able to see that in Player.io, actually. I should be able to go look at the crash logs. Latest one 19 minutes ago. Somebody is having the issue with a model monster that's too strong.
What? A muddled monster that's too strong?
Yeah. Because right now we still have that number big bug, where if you try to multiply by base power level, like if you try to multiply by an exponent that's too big, it just breaks. So it only happens, though, I'm pretty sure, with Carl and some places in the arcade. So if somebody gets Carl to like level 1000, the game breaks.
Okay. Okay, there we go. I remove the Swift version thingy, so I'm gonna do apply and then run, and then the game will break. Kindle version of a ZOMBIDLE. Yeah, we need to check out if I need to check out my mail actually.
Yeah, I pushed the build to Amazon so that it was ready for you just to hit submit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Elcano.
Okay, so there we go. I got the argument error, but you can see here, mask support required, death and still, blah blah blah. You know, so it says the argument error here, but it doesn't show anything here.
Yes.
Although what we could do is make a big try and catch thing. No, we could try that right now actually. Have a try and catch thing and just do that and make that on beta and test with those guys that have those problems, you know.
That's what I'm thinking. Is we can just push to a beta branch and we can say, hey, like, try this out. Well, it won't hurt just to push the update on Steam anyway, because for the people it works, it'll just work, and the people that it doesn't, it'll not work.
Yeah.
But before you do that, my thinking was, in the web version, we already catch if Starling doesn't start. If we get context 3D error, we actually display the, hey, you might need to update Flash, or if you're the host, you might need to put W mode equals direct.
Yeah.
We already have that for the web version. If we just hook into that error code, we should just be able to display a pop-up and then set HD to false.
Okay, so where the fuck did we have that?
I think it's in Starling Web Init. I think it's the web code that we just hook into a, like, Starling didn't start callback.
It has to, right?
Yep. Because that should fix it. Because if you ever get the context 3D error, that was what we're looking for with Update Flash or W Mode Direct.
Hang on. So all that, remove listeners, add the stage, create all the stuff, and that's add the stage. Bloody Karma Cup, welcome aboard, my friend. Thanks for following. So what the hell afterwards? Oh, initializer. So it's like main game web starting, that thing over there. Yeah, we embed the zip, we do those zip over there. Init desktop, unstarting error. Okay, so we do have an unstarting error here.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm 99% sure.
That's, yeah, I can see it right now on my face. Right on my face! If I do the QA init, however, not the QA, the release, which one is it? The balancing one? Whatever. Release, init, desktop, sprite, blah blah blah. Where is that freaking init desktop over here? We have null. Okay, we have a null for a callback here. Okay, so we have a null here. You are RNN is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much, my friend. So we have something there. Maybe if we could just do a callback over here. Did you watch my screen right away, Kojak?
Yep, I'm looking at it right now.
Okay, so if we do something like unstarting error here into the release in the desktop.
Yep.
This and then null. I don't know if it's null actually. Is it null? Yeah, it's null. Okay, so we just do that here. Here we'll need to make like a pop-up. Well, not really, probably not in pop-up. It'll probably be the same thing as that thing, you know, the UI mode. So we're gonna have to make another one, and it's gonna be a flash animation and everything. So probably make like another one into the flash only here. So we'll just make a thing saying like, hey, just restart the game. There was a problem starting the application or whatever. Just like restart the game. Because I don't think there's a way to automatically restart the game from there. We can quit it, but I don't think we can restart it.
No, basically my thinking is I'll just copy the pop-up code, drop it into drop it into the flash file, or just like make a thing that just appears. Like it doesn't even have to be animated. It just has to look like a pop-up.
Yeah.
And we could just paste that over the error and say, hey, we couldn't start the game using HD settings. Or there was a problem starting the game. Like we've set it to standard definition. If you restart, it should work.
Yeah, something like that.
Yep. And then we could even say like, hey, if this is your second time restarting it or no luck, then please email us.
Yeah, exactly. So, have a pop-up error that says like, please restart the game. I'm gonna try something. If the problem persists, please contact us at feedback@ZOMBIDLE. Blah blah blah.
Yes.
Something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, somebody else is calling me, so yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay, do you want me to do the interface then?
Yeah, if you want to do that, I will continue monitoring all the sites and everything, and then you can just like push it, and I'll pull on my end and test and update Steam. Or fuck it if you just want to.
So I'm gonna do this, the flush thing. UI option. We're gonna fix this live, ladies and gentlemen. That's dedicated developers just for you.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So I'm gonna go to general, I'm gonna go to view desktop options, I'm gonna go to total quality, blah blah blah, all that stuff. Whoa! Dishonorable Dick Wraith is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Long name. I like it. Long, it's a very, very long name. Apply option, apply. Can you go into that freaking function? Thank you. There we go. It's HD. Oh, I don't even flush it. Oopsie. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I've set this to false, like this, and then if I go back, la 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 la.
Oh man, you know it would be like the greatest feature Steam could ever release to developers
Okay.
without any exaggeration. You know how they have the hardware survey that they have you take?
Yeah.
If you could just be like, hey, this player, like they left a review, they had a problem. Can I look at what hardware they're using?
Ah, yeah.
That would be, oh my god, like the holy grail of everything. Because getting that information from some people sometimes is like pulling teeth.
Holy crap! Have you seen PZ Ratnog? Have you seen the image I just sent? It said like your guys are popular on on Congregate. Look at that, Steam powered, and we got some pyro right over there.
Oh my god.
It's probably because he probably directed only from you, PZ Ratnog, I believe, because you know you. I don't know. If so, that's freaking amazing. But I don't know. Like I feel skeptical about that, and I want to call it a victory right off the bat.
Why?
On my side.
I mean, I just googled Steam powered and I see it.
What? Okay,
Yeah.
I don't see it on my side. Probably because you guys are US.
Could be. Yeah.
That's amazing. That's freaking amazing. Nice.
Yeah, and if I Google Congregate, ZOMBIDLE, results from congregate.com. I see it there too. Dude, this is super happy. Oh my god. Will the system know you changed from Newgrounds to Berserk Pals? Yes, we track like all the information we need. You are good to go. Tried leaving World 1 on the blimp and got stuck on the loading screen. That should have been fixed in the next update, but yeah, if you can just quit the game by pressing escape and like reload it, that'll work. Get the same error on the web version, Steam version when you start another game in full screen.
Okay, so I'm gonna remove this. Yes. Remove this. Yes. open ZOMBIDLE, visual SFX, nope, not this, integrated the starting, nope, Flash only. Oh yeah, Amazon Kindle, hang on. I'm gonna do this, the top secret thing, I'm gonna reopen it, and I'm gonna check my mail at the same time. I've been streaming for a long time now, like 4 hours or something. And,
Yeah, you've been streaming since like 10.
10?
Like 6 hours.
Damn.
No, not since 10, right?
Not 10.
It was like noon?
But,
I don't remember.
I have to check out my mail if somebody's on fire. Or
Today's
whatever.
one big blur.
Well, I want to log in on Amazon. There you go. Okay. Ah, apparently, I think we're all good.
Sweet. Yeah, it's not the
It should be live.
it's not the Kindle store, but it's like the Fire, the Amazon Fire app store.
Yeah, I think we should be live. Current version live since 30th May. So yeah.
Okay,
I think we're
beautiful.
good. Let me check. ZOMBIDLE / Amazon.
How's Just Shapes and Beats coming?
Up to the next stress.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we're live on Amazon as well. So Amazon
Beautiful.
is cleared. Okay, I got no mail. So
Is there a tutorial for how to transfer your game from Newgrounds? Yes, actually. There is how to transfer Armor games to Steam. Here we go. I will link it to you. There you go. That it's the same process for going from any to connect cross-platform. You are just logging in with your Berserk save. That's how it works.
Okay for that. Yeah, back to my stuff here. Alright. So the Flash only thing. Okay, so I need this, and I'm gonna copy that, and W mode I'll say like Starling problem desktop. Okay.
There's an upset little bird behind me. Where are you going, bird? Come here. Fly to your cage.
Please restart the game. What?
I just went to the Berserk Pals dashboard.
Huh?
1,184 new user accounts created.
Nice! Thousands of people have downloaded the Steam version. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I'm super happy.
Okay, so please restart the game. That's not centered at all. I hate it. So this would be like this. Mommy. Okay, whatever.
4 months of play, but you're missing 8 Steam achievements. What could they be? We actually hid. We hid a couple of achievements in really dumb things. We wanted them to be different than just like the standard progression mail.
Uh. Does it need an S? Yeah, the problem persists.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks super perfect. I'm 100% on board with that.
Okay. Alright, good.
Manix, give me diamonds.
You just subscribed and it didn't work.
You should be able to use the code in Twitch chat though to get some diamonds.
What's happening? Okay, that thing over there. Yeah, I didn't get the subscription thing. Hang on. Manic Sprite. Manic Sprite. Why? Why, Lisa? Why? Boom. Manic Sprite. Let's just subscribe. Let's join the battle. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for the sub. I'm very sorry if the pop-up didn't work. Twitch keeps changing their stuff and break my stuff, so it's everybody's fault but me. Okay, there we go. Release in the desktop. If I do this and do balancing.
New stream, new code.
New stream. Ba, 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 ba.
That's an epic sub alert. It scares the hell out of them.
Okay, hang on. So if I do that, I do the balancing. Oh, I put it back, right? Okay. There we go. So I do apply run. Let's try this.
I don't know if it'll work with removing the version info because like Starling still starts up okay. It just doesn't accept the HD textures. These people like Starling just straight up isn't working.
Argument error.
Like,
Okay,
yeah.
so it doesn't call this. Although,
No.
Miss Tam CS is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much. Although, what I want to see is like, where does it break? I'm gonna check where does it break, and if it breaks, I'm gonna call the same function. You know, the same callback, and maybe it's gonna work anyway. Request.
Oh, yeah. That's a good point.
It's right over there.
Good points.
So it's
I like
in
it.
there. In there. Okay, so in it mobile, no. In the desktop, okay.
Xer4X. Thank you so much. Sorry, our stuff is broken.
So if I go like try, catch. Noctis, 13 Lion, welcome aboard, my friend. There we go.
Xer4X, we will do your animation as soon as we can.
Yay! Please restart the game, all that stuff. One last thing I want to do is to put that... Okay.
Or how dare she burp? I don't know what's gotten into her.
It sounds like Tommy would say laugh.
Did you see? Was it you that linked me to this? I don't remember. It was Tommy Wiseau in Star Wars.
Yeah. Oh, that's so beautiful.
It is. It was amazing. I showed that to my roommates, and they were just
man.
all super impressed.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, you're so funny.
You're so funny, Mark. I love how he always throw his football in the head. And it just like subtly go like, oh man, I love it.
Tracking, it's so well done.
Oh man.
There's so much effort and money put into that.
There's a lot of love in there.
I clicked all over the succubi and I can confirm she's not part of the hidden achievements.
Alright, there we go.
Come here, bird. Hang out next to me.
I'm overthinking. I'm overdoing it now. Alright, there we go. I'm really not good with colors.
We just need like
There we go.
Etienne and Emily to just give us like one of those not pastels, what the fuck do you call those things? It's like the wooden thing you put your thumb in and it's just like for your brush and it has like
the
colors
artist
on it.
thing. Yeah.
Because my roommate is an artist as well, and like I've seen when she does stuff in Photoshop, she has colors like just to the next of her characters and stuff, and you can just like grab it with the eyedropper and switch to it real quick.
The palette.
Yeah, palette. Thank you. Or palette.
It's probably palette.
Oui, oui.
It was it was. I said it with a French accent. Because it's a French word, so I thought it was like I thought it was like when you have to pronounce beret, you know. You say beret and not beret, you know. But you kind of you didn't Englishify the word like palette, for example.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
But yeah, we just need like Etienne and Emily to just send us a flash file that's just nothing but like little dabs of color, and it's like, if you're gonna use a color, use one of these.
Okay, so one good news is that it loads back up with the SD texture.
Mm-hmm.
It worked.
Wait, did it just work for you? Like you took away the Swift version and then tried to run it, and then it just worked? Oh my god.
Yeah. Well, look. Almost. I have to center that on the screen, and then it will work.
We're so close.
But you know, when it shows that up, you know, I'm gonna reboot it. When I reboot it, boops, it works. It goes back into SD because I just changed the flush thing in there.
Yay! I'm so happy. If we can push that like today.
Yeah. Well, I'm not a fan of pushing stuff like now, but.
The other option is that we push it to a beta branch.
Yeah, I'd be more happy with that, just in case we break everything, because everything goes smoothly right now. So I prefer to do it with the beta thing, and push it up to, you know, people. Say like, hey, we made you as a beta tester. You want to test this out first?
Well, we can just make it a public branch, and then if you just go into Steam, right-click on it, you can actually select which branch you want to pick.
Okay. Yeah,
Um,
again.
I vote for beta branch. Okay, yeah. And it's super easy. All we have to do is just change like 1 or 2 values when we upload.
Okay, so there we go. Let's go back to sexy 80 graphic. Yay, let's start the game. Boom, let's go. There we go.
Ah,
Oops, something went wrong. ZOMBIDLE used starting engine and it was a problem trying to start a game. Actually, I'm gonna cut out the starting engine. What I'm gonna do is we try to start the game in HD.
yeah,
But
that sounds better.
was a problem with your graphic card.
I wouldn't put that. I
No?
would just say there was a problem.
Hey, salut chat. Miaou. Miaou. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Miaou. Oh, oui, non, moi, tu peux pas. Coucou. Manu. He's into one of my cats. Her name is Belly. And she really don't want to be on me.
She's like, meh. I don't want to be here.
Ouch!
Put me down.
Yeah, actually, she wanted to be like on my desk.
I just saw the
What you
tail.
doing? What are you doing? You want to sniff my Mac? She's in the back. Alright, and now she's like right in front of my face. Okay, so there's that. Can I grab that mouse? Thank you, cat. Alright. We tried to start. Hang on. Oh, yeah.
What's it say now?
We tried to start the game in HD, but it was a problem.
Okay. I like it. You must fix things without the mouse. I mean, you totally can. We set up... The less we touch the mouse when we code, the happier we are.
Yeah, that's a fact. That is true.
It's a known fact. Okay. So yeah, I'm not seeing anybody else mention issues with being able to start the game up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a deep breath.
Sorry, what?
I said I'm gonna go ahead and take a deep breath, and we will. I don't think it's
that
that many people. I think we're okay.
There we go. We try to start a game. We'll load the game without HD texture and see how it goes. Problem resist, blah blah blah. Okay, good. I think we're all good with this.
Yeah, I like it.
I mean, we should maybe try to just restart with HD, you know? So we could actually put that. But I don't know, we're gonna have like to recreate an asset manager, blah blah. So it's not that much people, so yeah. Screw that.
No,
Okay.
it really isn't that many people with this problem.
Yeah.
And I think popping up that error that says like, hey, please restart your game, it should be fine.
Alright, good. So I removed that. I said that. Now if I restart it, should be good. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna push my those stuff. Are we good with that?
Is that the cat meowing?
No, it was my kids.
Oh.
My kids ain't no cat. User 29189 is following the channel. Welcome aboard. A bit of your background is still in the middle of the screen. Yep, fixed. Okay, working copy again, guys. I'll be right back with that here. I'm just working on top secret stuff. Just a bit.
Agreed. I wouldn't mention SD or HD. It's not. Whenever we show an error prompt or something like that, 99% of the time, I would say it's not for the person, it's for the developer.
Yeah.
So if we have it say, like, we tried to start the game with SD and something went wrong, or we tried to start the game in HD and all that, like, if the person doesn't necessarily know what that means, we give them instructions. We say, like, if this problem continues, send us an email. If they send us a screenshot of the problem, we'll know exactly what's going on. HD is not a bad idea to mention. It might help the user realize that there's a hardware or software issue. Exactly. Exactly. It's mostly for us to help them and debug the problem.
Okay, and now I am pushing stuff. Boom, push, push, push. So you'll be able
Hit
to
log out of
recreate
preserve
something.
files. Invalid ticket. Now you can't close or open ZOMBIDLE, and Steam won't close until I close ZOMBIDLE.
What?
What?
You cannot close ZOMBIDLE?
Yeah.
Press escape to close it. Or Alt F4.
Yes. If it's like frozen and not doing something, you can just like open the task manager and kill it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that like I had that problem, the invalid ticket thing, and it was stuck in the title screen, but I was able to press escape to exit the game. And again, Alt F4 will do it. Steam says please close ZOMBIDLE. ZOMBIDLE says app already running. I don't know what that's to kill. But
None say ZOMBIDLE. Hang on a sec, because I have it running on my side. I can look right now.
I really like the scrolling and the click drag on menu. Very helpful. Woohoo! Sweet.
No, I have a process that says ZOMBIDLE and it's got the little skull for the icon. So if you don't see that, kill Steam. Because I've had that happen with Steam. Sometimes it's like it doesn't actually register that the game closed, and then I just have to like force kill Steam and reopen it, and it doesn't care. Why would you ever want to close ZOMBIDLE? Exactly.
That's the spirit. Alright, so I push everything, Mr. Kojak. Mr.
Yay!
Kojak. Yes. Bring me a dream. Look at that. Oh, man. Congregate.
Sometimes Steam doesn't register the process not running. Yep, I've had that happen before. It's usually not a big problem.
I want to go get some water. Shane, you entertain people. Go ahead.
Doop doop doo 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 doop doo doo. Doop doop doo 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 doo. Doop doo 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 doo. Okie dokie. Soon time frame. Congregate, yes. He's actively talking with them, like
Yep,
right
that's
now.
what I'm doing now.
I know that face. I cannot sing. This is not a thing I'm capable of doing. But the bird on the mic, you don't want to hear that. That will blow out your ears.
I am freaking hungry.
Oh, yeah, time. Hungry too.
I need poutine. I want a poutine.
I want to try poutine. Eventually.
Dave is following the channel. What's up, Dave?
Okay, I pulled your stuff. Did you push the FLA?
Yeah, the Swick thing. If you want to just test, go on releasing the desktop and put the HD texture here and through, like this. You'll see it. Quicksilver Ronin, following the channel. Welcome aboard. Poutine is dope. Yup.
Releasing it desktop.
Ketchup flavored poutine. Nice.
That sounds gross.
Out of curiosity, how many people are your play base on Congregate? I think it's in the thousands. I think like half of our people come from Congregate. I think. I'm not sure. Sorry. Arumanian is following channel. Thank you very much. Mike says, so the only bad review that's not a bug report is from a guy that exclusively played tits games.
Beautiful. I love it.
Beautiful.
Okay, so I just did, like a super old one. I just did like releasing it desktop, and it like broke, and it showed me the error thing, and then I tried it again, and it started up just fine. Except the only problem is when I clicked on login, it was using Berserk Pals, and it didn't work.
What?
Yeah, when I do releasing it desktop, it was using Berserk Pals to log in. And when I click on the button, nothing happened.
Do you have the balancing one? 'Cause you need the balancing one.
No, I just started releasing a desktop.
Okay.
It's probably something we haven't touched in years, so.
Well, releasing it desktop is okay. I mean, it's something that but you have to make something that overrides this. So balancing in it, for example, like set up the bunch of things to do, you know, like the model platform, all those shit, blah blah, and then extend from it and release in the desktop. So if you just start this one, it's probably gonna break.
Yeah, it didn't. Well, I mean, it broke properly. It
Okay.
showed me the error and told me to restart.
Nice.
So that worked. Okay, so yeah, I just pulled your stuff. I don't have to change anything more. I can just make a build and then push it to Steam Beta, right?
Sorry, I was reading the chat. What?
I can just make a build and push it to Steam Beta, right?
Yeah, I believe so. I don't remember how to do it, but I think you did one for Infernax back in the days. So.
Yep. So I'm just gonna run clean, make sure that we have the translations, because I got a message that some of the translations were fucked up. Only on Steam though. So I'm gonna run a clean, and then I'm going to just replace everything.
Congregate just said me like my daily active user is around 4,000 to 5,000 people.
Dude.
Like they're just like this reply like, oh, you're watching me, and he said like, well, that sounds creepy. So yeah, we have about 5,000 people playing actively every day, you know, so our
Very
daily
nice.
active user. So that represents a lot of people that we really want, you know, to jump on board Steam to pump up those numbers. Slayer in the Dark is following the channel. Welcome aboard. And
Can't log in.
hi, Congregate. How you doing?
Can't log into Game Center on iOS. Does that mean all your progress is stuck there? No. Go into your Game Center settings. Somebody else had this issue. Go into your settings and go into Game Center. Make sure it's enabled. Make sure you're logged in. Make sure you're good to go there. Okay. Translation's compiled. I'm doing another clean. It should update and export all the languages again. Crowd in translation exported. Sweet. I'm just gonna do a zip builder just for the fun of it. No devil deals on Steam. Bloodstones is how you spend or how you accept devil deals on Steam.
Did you talk to me, by the way? I was totally
Nope.
else. Okay, cool.
Talking to chat.
I just realized that you might have asked me a question and just reply with. What do you think about that, Siren?
Yes, of course. I never thought about that.
have a point.
Point taken, good sir. Okay.
We still have 200 people watching us on stream. Damn.
Starling HD. Take those. Platforms. Steam. Bin. Starling HD. Delete. Paste. Yay. And then delete ZOMBIDLE Steam from the release folder. And then debug ZOMBIDLE Steam. Make sure it still works. Will Polish be back in ZOMBIDLE? It was never taken out.
Is it still there?
Should be. Oh. I have ZOMBIDLE running already, so it didn't give a shit.
Give me a second. Again, Kojak, leader.
Yeah.
Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this.
Somebody removed it from subtitle.
Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate it. Sorry, my mic went out. I pressed the dumb button, but it muted me instead of unmuted me. Anyway, thank you very much, man. Really appreciated that. I'm gonna get back to Gong, because it's very close, very close.
So close. It's a silent film. Exactly. Oh my god. Alright, so I think I just have to double check something with Latch. And then I think we should be good. I think we've actually fixed the problem people are having live on stream. And we can debug it. We can make sure it's good. Make sure it works. Oh man, that makes me so happy though. Giveaway! He's been playing StarCraft 2 all day. Very possible. I can do subtitles for Ledge. I have money, but I hate PayPal. Is there a donation workaround that you can not use PayPal? We use Stream Tips. So if you wanted to donate to the stream, it doesn't use PayPal. If you wanted to get some diamonds in ZOMBIDLE, the only place that uses PayPal is ZOMBIDLE.com and Newgrounds, I think. But if you do mobile, if you do Steam, if you do any other platform, it shouldn't use PayPal. Can also do bits, and there's a bird on my foot. Hello, bird. How's it going? Oh my god, get
won! Much lash! My bro just won, sweet.
I'm just impressed.
I'm gonna do another one. We got 300 active people. Look at that. 300 people talking in the chat. Nice.
You might want to refresh that list.
No.
it's kind of old.
Yeah, I know it's old, but still, like 3 different. There's not 300 people watching right now, but still.
Yeah.
Boom. I want to do it anyway.
Phobius, please send me an email. ZOMBIDLE.com. We might have just fixed your problem, but we aren't sure. We want to make sure that that's done like now. Redirect. Ugh. I am surrounded by birds. Roger that. Awesome. Thank you so much. How can you be surrounded? There are only 2 of them. When are you gonna bring the birds on the stream? We hear them all the time, but we never see them. No, they're on stream all the time. Another one.
Playing your lucky kid and calling everything on Twitch. Dude, you very much, Jax. 6726. Come on,
God.
Jax. That's a lot, man. Brilliant. Spend those money on diamonds. Spend those money on diamonds, man. Oh man. Okay, another giveaway. Boom, there we go. And I'll be right back in like 5 seconds.
With the addition of the keyboard controls to ZOMBIDLE, does that make it not a clicker game and more of a typer game? The typing of the ZOMBIDLE. Yes. That's exactly what it means. And as soon as Latch comes back, I have something to fix, and then we should be good. Alfred Hitchcock. The birds.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god! Guys!
Yes.
It's official, we're gonna do it on Congregate! Shane, go!
Holy shit. Okay.
Now! Stop talking, do it!
Okay.
We get it, we got a thumbs up, the official thumbs up for Congregate. Man, they are making an exception just for us. Just for us, just for ZOMBIDLE, they're making an exception. Like, because they didn't do that in the before. And they want to check out how it goes with us, with ZOMBIDLE, since it's been like a long time with working with Congregate, you know? Long time fan of Congregate, long time partner in business as well, making an exception just for us, guys. We won!
Shit.
So
Alright.
Let's do it, let's do it.
I'm making a new build right now.
It's happening, it's happening.
And then,
so glad. Everything is working.
as soon as I upload this, I have to consult with you about an error I got on the Steam build.
Yep.
When I tried to start up the game, I got a thing. It said, like, this extension doesn't work. And it was for the achievements.
This extension?
Yep. I don't know. I'll give you more info as soon as I'm...
okay. You can switch back to Congregate, though, and just push that up.
That's what I'm doing.
On Kong, and then we'll get back there.
Version 37. Okay, cool. I have a new version of the web. Release. Go to Congregate. I need to kick Mike out.
Ah, we have cross-platform everywhere. I'm so freaking happy.
I'm so fucking happy.
And now, due to last victory cry, they rejected the deal. No!
Yeah, exactly.
No! Man. That could not have been smoother. That's a very freaking nice release.
Yeah.
I don't know if Mike is here. Mike. I'm gonna say... Ah! Okay, what actually... Here, go find some. Bro. And also, Vitality. There, now you can buy a donut for SMDH. What's an SMDH? And Kojak. What's happening? Time for the goal. Also, going hype. There's a lot of people who just sent $3 to get there. There we go. Seems I'm on seeing that's over there. So my brother sent me a $3 and says, "Here, go buy yourself some clothes or some decent clothes." And the cool, the nice, the funny thing about that is that usually like 90% of my clothes come from my brother still today.
That's funny as hell.
Yeah, he's like, he take care of his, he take care of how he looks and everything. But I don't have time for those tiny details in life. I got games to work on. Fuck that, and fuck hygiene in general. So, with those little, with the old flies flying everywhere.
Oh God.
Where am I? Yeah, so we always end up, you know, his clothes always shrink up, and then it's like, it's perfect for me, because he's bigger than me. Anyway.
Oh my God, alright, I'm uploading it right now. It's happening. We did it. We did it, Twitch. Yeah, Zombuddy, that's a thing that that's a thing that Mike told me about actually.
Elcano, Swan, and does somebody take care of all the whisper? By the way, I just spinned that thing.
Yeah, I think Lurklin has been.
Okay.
I hope
okay.
Lurklin has been.
I hope so as well. If you won, just let us know.
Yeah. Yeah, we will do stuff. I took care of it for a little while Larklin went and got some breakfast.
Yeah.
But no, I think we've been sending them all. Okay, perfect. Yep, Larklin's been handling it.
Nice, thank you, man.
Fine. You can just hang out on my filing cabinet. Whatever. Oh, it's taking 1,000 years to upload.
Of course, right? Oh, the hype. The hype. Where is it? Where is it, Shane?
It's coming. Just chill. Cool your jets.
Cool the jets.
Cool your jets. I take a 200% tax.
Is there a way to see reported bugs? Gamer Circle is hosting us. For 13 viewers. Thank you very much, man. Thanks for the host. The Rambo host. Oh man, I'm still stuck in Juicy Beast land here in the year. There you go.
Oh, dude, he uses your tool.
Oh yeah. Nice.
That's pretty awesome. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my God.
Loud and awesome. Hey there, legend friends. Hey, Gamer Circles, man. How you doing? I think we spoke on Discord, right? We probably spoke on Discord.
Oh my God, my phone is exploding. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even looked at my Reddit mail. Like, it's probably pretty bad. Oh my god. Alright. No, I have a LG G5.
Soccer Titan, follow the channel, welcome aboard. Yes, I lose the Latin friends, and it is a great tool for those of us that don't know CCS or stuff. Yes, we have spoken. Ah, there we go. Sorry,
I just got the fucking web badge. Cross-platform, available on Congregate, and publish.
Oh shit, oh
Yep,
shit.
I just hit the button. We're good.
Nice.
It's done. If you refresh on Congregate, I didn't update the version number or anything because that would break a lot of things.
Yeah, don't.
But refresh, Shift F5, that pulls the new version to your client. You should see the web badge, you should see the Steam notification, and then you should also have the option to go cross-platform.
Let me see that.
And it's been done.
Oh my god.
I'm Cloud9, everything coming up berserk, dude. It really is.
There we go, man. I got a badge. It's live. And Bob says, this guy still uses Flash at the exact same moment. That was a nice timing, Bob. Oh man, all right. It's official. It's everywhere. Nice.
Lurklin, can you do me a huge favor and make sure that people on Reddit know about that? Then, actually, no, don't. Lurklin probably doesn't have to worry about that. Everybody will tell everybody on Reddit that it's up. But Lurklin, if you could like make an edit to the sticky posts, that would be fantastic. The internet is at peace. It is.
Internet's at peace, yeah. Whoa, super
Awesome.
happy.
Thank you so much, Larklin. I super appreciate it.
Yeah.
Lysimax, you have a Berserk save, but your Kong save is way further. Log into Congregate, and then when you enable cross-platform and log into your Berserk save, this goes for everybody too. When you log into your Berserk save, it will actually prompt you which one you want to continue with. It'll say, do you want to continue with Berserk, or do you want to continue with your Congregate save? You choose Congregate, and it'll be the one that's like way further. It'll tell you the stats at a quick view. Choose the Congregate one, and you will be good to go. And this goes for everybody. If you've been doing stuff on Steam, trying to get the achievements and whatever, go to Congregate. When you link your save, it'll overwrite everything, and you'll be good to go.
Almost there, man.
Oh my god.
Well, not almost there. I think everything is everywhere. Now we just want to push the beta thing, so.
Yes. Okay, let me do that right now.
Okay, so yeah, you were saying that everything exploded for some reason, or.
Yes. When I run ZOMBIDLE Steam, when I run debug, it starts up and it tries to load my save, and then what I get is. Hang on a sec, it's still loading. Here we go. I get the extension context does not have a method with the name Air Steam Achievement.
Did you add the extension in there?
I haven't touched anything. The only thing I did between making the build for Steam and uploading it and then doing this right now was pulling your changes.
So it's all my fault.
It is all your fault, yes.
Damn it.
That's what I'm saying.
So can you show that, or because what I see is you need this extension here. You still have
Steam
it?
works. Let me take a look. Let me look at my settings. That was a really loud bit of thunder. Holy shit. Yeah, FRE Steamworks is enabled. It's included and enabled. Hang on a second. I'll be right back. That was really weird. I'm not sure if that was something I'm hearing through you or something I'm hearing through,
The thunder?
I heard thunder, yeah. It was on my side, I'm pretty sure.
I farted.
Oh, okay. That was a massive one, Jesus.
Yeah, man. It's a masculine berserk fart. Berserk fart!
Oh my god. A masculine berserk. I mean, can you just send me everything? Can you just like zip up your lib folder and send that to me?
Yeah, baby. Hang on. I will need to open Skype though. So again,
I have
this goes
no
down.
idea.
Amazing grace. So you need the lib folder. There's only there's okay.
Yeah, because there's a couple of API extensions in there, but then there's also the ANE. I'm pretty sure I just need like the new ANE or something. I don't know. Maybe mine's broken. Maybe I broke it. I don't know what I did. I don't think I did anything to
There.
the...
I sent it on Discord.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I don't think I did anything to the XML. Yeah, we shouldn't have done nothing. Nothing should be needed there.
Okay, there we go.
I don't know, that might have been a mistake because now now this one's newer. Or this one's older actually. We'll find out.
On the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Nope, still the same problem. Yeah, it's happening in set achievement. The extension context does not have a method with the name air steam set achievement.
Okay, air achievement. Can you share me your screen then?
Yes.
Do that. Salut! Faites-vous que du 2D? Pas mal, ouais. On Green Buff, we pretty much do 2D. Interestingly, Mark, one of the co-founder of Berserk, was actually doing 3D first, and then he went on 2D. But yeah, that's pretty much what we are doing now. That's super confusing because I see your screen and I see me. Okay, there we go.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, this is what I see. As soon as it loads my save and it tries to like decode and then bestow the achievements, I get this.
Okay. And if you go to check check the properties.
It is included and it is set up.
The hell.
Yeah.
Well, go check out on the Steam. Yeah, close this.
Mhm.
Right back, guys. Open up the FRE Steam or the Steam login or something like that. The class that it's asking for. No, in the yeah, over there in the project.
So you're talking about in
this
lib
source.
here.
No, in the source. Yeah, source this blah blah blah. Steam login API. Yep.
This one here.
Yep. Okay, and when you try to just run the build, if you just try to run the build, can you try to run it again?
Yeah.
Okay, so it takes ZOMBIDLE Steam.
Native extensions need to be extracted to start ADL? What the fuck does that mean? Never heard that before in my life.
Yep.
But yeah, it loads my settings, and then it tries to give me the achievements, and it breaks.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, so yeah, fuck it. I wanna see. Okay, Steam works.
Yeah, it goes into the
Yeah,
achievement.
I can see that. What the fuck?
Yeah. Yeah, it's right here that it breaks. And I don't know why, because if I take a look at, oh, no, I didn't change any of the settings. I'm still using the Air 25s with version 21.
Yeah, okay. Well, what did I push? I only pushed a couple of files.
Yeah, you didn't push anything. You just pushed a new Swift.
Everything's broken.
Yes, I
Cyber
did.
Hippie Collective. Hey man, how you doing? Nice to see you again. Hell Bliss, my god. It's full of pixel. Nice, man. I'm glad it works from Congregate. Hell Bliss. Super happy.
Yeah, and that's the only thing. Yeah, that's the only thing you merged, is just the armor games. Oh man, that's so fucking weird. I don't understand why it's not working anymore.
Restart your computer, maybe.
Yeah, actually, if I just do project clean, maybe that'll do it.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'll try restarting FTT. Guys, did you break it? You just fixed it! I know.
Jorpy is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. I can see that Etienne is actively pressing F5.
I'm so sorry. Yeah. Oh, alright, I'm just gonna close. As soon as FTT is done refreshing, I'm just gonna close it, because I got a weird, like, ruler error. Stretch. Ugh. This is so nice. Yeah, no problem, Licious. All good, dude. Google it or look it up on Stack Exchange. You know what? While I wait for my thing to... While I wait for my thing to happen, I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, somebody actually, somebody created an account with an A accent, like a French accent character, and now he cannot connect in ZOMBIDLE because he cannot enter the E accent in ZOMBIDLE.
Oh, so, God.
We're gonna have to just make it so, you know, on the registration page, don't do that. So it's gonna be on the website.
It's pretty bad. Alright, I don't know. Is it done? It's still refreshing.
Omelette au fromage!
I can delete his info from the server so that he can try to make a new account without the E with the accent over it.
Sorry, what?
If he's having problems, I can delete his account so that he can use the same email and he can just make a new username.
Okay. Well, check out the convo on Skype, actually.
Yeah. That's what I was looking at.
I don't know what Etienne was looking, but he said we were back in popular game, but we're not. We're not.
How dare he?
That's.
How dare he lie to us like this?
Lied. Oh, look at that. News and trending, though. Fuck.
Are we there?
That's the actual freaking store page. Right over there. News and trending. Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that's where we ended up earlier, too. I'm so happy.
It's actually the first time I see it on the front page.
Dark Clan.
Nice.
If you're talking about the fact that you can get the badges again, yes, it's a known issue. We are going to tackle that later.
Yeah. Whoopsie! That's my answer.
Bank error in your favor is what I've been telling people.
Yay! Got a mobile badge. Got a mobile badge. Way!
Alright, I've restarted FTT. Clean all projects. Wait for it to build. And then I'm gonna run Steam again. Steamception. I'm so mad that, like, it just broke after I just pulled your stuff. Like, yeah, no, you can't push a fix.
So it's still broken?
I'm cleaning it again.
Okay.
I haven't tried after I restarted FTT.
We got 85 review, by the way.
Oh my god.
Yeah, more giveaways. You do it right. Yeah. Sorry. Go! Boom!
Like I said, we just need an infinite spinner. It's a widget. You just put it on the thing.
And then Larklands miss one and people will get mad enough.
All monsters have personality? Yeah, the Tomb King approves his upgrades. He says, I approve this upgrade.
Dark Usha, Dark Usha, WTF is our winner. Congratulations, my friend.
Don't remove duplicated badges. Other people still have the Potato Baby and the Potato Man, so it wouldn't be fair. Yeah, that's primarily the reason why we haven't touched it. Is we did that before. We were just like, all right, well, here's an emergency fix that fixes the problem, and then some people got it and people were all pissed off.
Yeah. Meh.
I'm with the meh.
Yeah. Cause like I would love to just like as a game dev, for example, I would remove the badge, you know, and make it back to how it was intended. If you make the actual last badge, it's over, you know. But if we do that, I can see the backlash coming from miles away, you know. So I'm like, well, okay, there you go. All your badges, there you go. In the next update, maybe we can at least say, like, if you want to recreate the new badge, it just make an error, you know, just like just stops. So at least, but yeah.
Yeah. Fuck, the extension context does not have a method with the name. Pair set Steam achievement, dude. I for whatever reason I can't do it on my side. Can you try to just run the ZOMBIDLE build on your side?
You were talking to me? Sorry.
Are you able to try to make a... Yeah, can you just run it? Like, just to see if it works?
Oops. I have to close this. If I open up on Steam, though, it won't show up anything.
Mine actually, the only time that it like automatically closes and restarts through Steam.
What the fuck? ZOMBIDLE DF at Burrito?
Oh.
Do you have to make it clean or something?
Oh, yeah.
Delicious!
Uninstalled ZOMBIDLE from your fire. Have to reinstall it again for the patch.
Alright, so yeah, it does work here. I just restarted the Steam and I think it works. Oh no, that was clean, sorry. Steam, there we go.
Oh, I'm sharing my screen, so I don't see yours, by the way.
Okay. Why the fuck do I have the day off at Burritos?
Oh, did you move the Starling
yeah.
HD and Starling
Yeah,
folders?
Well, usually
you
I
ran.
don't even do that. What I do is just go into priorities and then deploy and then export and test it directly on Steam.
Oh. Shit, fuck it, I might as well just do that.
Yeah, that's usually how I handle the stuff. And if I go to
Property.
platform, to Steam, I actually made two very. Do you see my screen, by the way?
No, I do not.
There we go, sharing my screen.
Yay, I'm not sharing mine
I made
anymore.
three things. First, the common text, because I don't want to retype that all the time, so that's on Steam, you know. I made my Steam windows here, so that's what's gonna be exported to Steam. I made a shortcut to Content Builder, so I can start the run build thing, and a shortcut to ZOMBIDLE Steam, which is basically the Steam app common blah blah blah, you know, all over there. So what I do is just I copy this, I go there, yay, success, boom boom boom.
Oh, and you just copy it over the Steam installation?
Exactly. So I just like destroy this, and I go to ZOMBIDLE.steam. Boop.
You know what? That is amazing. I love that idea.
So it's very very easy afterwards.
Because once we actually have Steam up and running, and I verify with some people that it's fixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a small air tool. Like we have the exporter, the Flash to Unity tool. I'm gonna have it automatically like make the scripts and then do the upload for us, and then we can like review it, make sure that all the files are good, and then we can just give it patch notes and hit the build button, and it will automatically point all the content to the release folder in the projects directory, and then it'll just be fine.
Okay.
That's my plan.
To me. But yeah, like I can see here, everything seems to be working. If I just reopen this, so I never opened it from here actually, because everything breaks all the time. You have to change the folder at the right place and everything. I think I have a ZOMBIDLE debug one now. I think I made something for ZOMBIDLE debug. Is that it? Yeah, I have that. But what does it do? Does it even work? Let's find out. Oh yeah, I did this relative folder and I did this thing. I don't even know if it works though.
It might not. Okay, cool. I think it just popped up through Steam. Yep, it did. Okay, cool. So if I grab this, because this is in ZOMBIDLE Steam, and I just go my PC.
Yeah. Go, Jack. I'm gonna let you lead the show. I'm gonna get some water.
Sounds good. Okay, it just worked for me. That's really weird. I don't understand life anymore. Oh, excuse me. ZOMBIDLE, platforms, Steam, release, ZOMBIDLE Steam, copy all that. Programs, work, Steamworks SDK. Client? No. Tools, builder. There we go. Content. Scripts. Preview. Save. I'm not even looking at chat, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make sure this is working. Can I... When will we get VR support? Yep, no VR support, 0 out of 10. Will the blood avocado ever return? Nope. Actually, it's still a blood avocado on my end. Because, you know, I still have the old visuals in the giveaway tool. But for you guys, it's not. It's still a blood avocado. ZOMBIDLE seems to eat a lot of RAM on Steam. It's slowly ticking upwards at a steady pace. It's that level off at some point. I'm already nearing 700 megabytes. That's a lot. It could be the visuals, but if you have a problem, if you notice that there is a memory leak, please tell us, because anything we fix in the Steam version will filter out to every other version. So that's one of the reasons why I'm so excited about releasing on Steam, or having a version on Steam, is that it is just like a pure version of the game. We have next to no extensions in the game, which means if there's a problem in Steam, it's our fault. Okay, so enable preview builds. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to... ZOMBIDLE asking you to leave a review on Amazon. Yeah, it's probably because you uninstalled it. Or maybe you're not the person who uninstalled it, and now I sound like a dick. Okay. Building manifest. Okay, manifest looks good. Starling HD. Okay, cool. So that's all good. Model FLA. Make sure the languages are good. That's all set. 5 files have been changed. Okay, exe. One of the languages was updated. You did just deinstall it. Nah, it's not a big deal. You're fine. But yeah, it's saved locally. So if you move to a new device or something like that, you're going to notice little exclamation points, and your settings and stuff will be a little weird. Oh! Transfer from other games to Steam working now. Yes, it is. Reached 100 difficulty in 5 minutes in the Steam version. Is that bad? Nope. Okay. Let me make sure that I'm not gonna fuck anything up, and then I can add a beta branch. Builds. Create a new app branch. Beta. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so if I do 0. We do a run build. Scanning content, uploading content. ZOMBIDLE.exe here. Currently using over a gig of memory. Okay, that's real bad. That's very strange. Keep me updated if that just keeps going up. But yeah, it sounds like we have a memory leak. How can I go from Congregate to another platform? In the options menu, you will see a button that says cross-platform. Looked at mine, it's not steadily ticking up on memory use. Yeah, I didn't notice a problem with mine either, but I also wasn't doing anything. I was just letting it run in the background. Most likely a memory leak. It's not as bad as some of the other things I played on Steam. Or Bob using his dark powers to siphon your computer. It's definitely not that. Preview change. Oh. Beta preview change. Okay. Is anybody in chat having the context 3D error? Please let me know right now. How the fuck? Son of a bitch. Phobius. Thank you. You are still here. I'm so happy. I just pushed a beta branch. Still need to depots and new build routes and improved packages. Developer list of packages. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah, so you should be able. How's it going?
I'll be back in like 5 seconds. Boom!
Sure.
I left I left the screen on code. At least I could have been yeah, what's up?
So I just created a beta branch for ZOMBIDLE and I just uploaded, because when I like exported the game and then ran it myself and tested it, it worked. So I just made a beta branch, and I just pushed the build that I just made, that I pulled your changes into and everything, pushed it into a beta branch, but I can't find how to load that myself. Usually there's an option for
What do you mean load that yourself?
Oh fuck! I have to exit Steam. That could be why I have to exit Steam. But no, when you right-click on the game and you select either properties or something, there is a little drop-down menu, and it should say what branch you want to get. And if you say beta, then it should just work.
Yep. I'm trying to put up. I'm trying to put up a Steam. Ah, that's why.
Cool.
Because you probably log as a Berserk Studio as well, right?
Yep. No, I logged in as myself to push the build.
Okay.
But yeah, it kicked me off of Steam when I uploaded the build.
Ah, yeah. No.
Beta is showing in Steam. Okay, beautiful. Anybody else who wants to give it a shot, literally the only change is that one specific error case. But if you guys want to grab it and make sure that it works, and that it doesn't like break anything, that would be really appreciated.
Isn't it there? Isn't it over here?
No. When you actually have it installed, you're gonna right-click on the game.
Ah, yeah. Properties.
Click Properties.
Beta. Is that it?
Do you see beta? Where do you see that?
Well, here, like general, there's in the betas. It's probably because of me though. I'm logging at Berserk Studio.
Oh, I hadn't finished downloading the game.
So is that here or?
Sorry, hang on. Give me a sec. Let me look. Yes, that is exactly what you want.
Okay. So
where it says none.
For this.
Yep, beta fix for context 3D error. There's no password or anything. Anybody who can get it, who wants to get it, can. There's no password.
Ah, there you go. Good.
And then if you run it.
Cool.
But Phobius, I am extremely like interested to hear if it works for you. Please tell me. If you can even screen cap it. Like, if you get the error and you can screen cap it, I would be very happy.
So I can see that it all works on my side. So there's that. I'm gonna switch back to properties, beta.
If it works, then I can just like mass reply to any emails saying, "Hey, we just pushed a fix.
Yeah.
Go get it from the beta tab."
Why can't I go back to? Oh, there you go.
Oh, holy shit!
What?
ZOMBIDLE, the beta patch fixed the context 3D problem for you too. After restarting without HD, you can now play it in Wine in Linux. Oh my god. Dude, you have no idea how happy that makes me.
It's really okay for me after starting without HD.
Oh my god.
Nice!
Oh my god.
You did it. You did it again.
No,
Everybody spam some Kojak higher.
You did it.
Kojak higher. Kojak higher. Hang on. I need to spam it. Kojak higher. Can I eat now? I don't want to eat on them.
God.
The best way to get in my Android, go to zombidle.com/Android.
You got the okay from Kong? Yes, we did. I actually just pushed new version 2 for Congregate. Oh my god.
So do you want to push it live then?
Give me a minute. I want to hear from Phobius.
Sure do.
And I want to hear from anybody else in chat too. Please, if you want to, it would really help us out. Grab the beta version and let us know if it works, if there are no other problems. I just clicked the world map and your entire game closed. All right, let me make sure that I haven't broken everything
what have you
with
done?
that. What's happened? Can you connect Berserk Pals to your Newgrounds account without deleting progress? Yes.
So again, guys, to get through the beta thing, you right click over here, you go to properties, and then you go to beta, you switch that here to beta. And that's it. You're gonna see like it's re-download and then it says beta over there. And that's it. That's all there is to do. Bye-bye, Kitty, hold it. Follow the channel, welcome aboard. We're logged in the world map work this time. Okay.
Yeah, I think it was just a glitch. Like, we fixed it, but people are still mentioning having some issues with it, so I think that there's something else. But, Beta or better? It's the better beta.
The better beta.
No issues with the beta version so far. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Yeah, it was just that. It was just the achievements thing that was breaking for me. So maybe it just didn't like that I was logged in and it was like doing two things at once.
Mm-hmm.
You may want to change the text for "Hey, you've watched a lot of ads" for the Steam version. That should have been fixed. We do have a different visual for that, but if it's not working, then that's a bug. You have an issue with the spectral genie code. Whenever you attempt to submit a code, it just says checking codes, and the screen never submits. Oh, okay, then I need to build a timeout for that. Our player IO servers could also be a little bit, a little bit stressed out right now.
Should not though.
When I click on keyboard numbers instead of left clicking, it uses your abilities. Yeah, we have hotkeys for the abilities. Oh my god, Phobius. I'm waiting on Phobius. Phobius is here. If Phobius will please let us know.
Where are you, Phobius? Where are you, Phobius? Where are you, Phobius? Woo!
We need Kong fixed code. If you guys feel generous. Actually, sending out a mail isn't a bad idea.
Mm-hmm.
Just to make sure that people know. Is there a hotkey for all? No, not yet. Something we're thinking about, but not yet. No problems for you. Helix, were you having a context 3D error before, or are there just no problems for you using it in general? Nope, okay.
Frigging, I should mention that I'm on Kong, and the issue is persisting for weeks. I missed the beginning of the conversation. I don't know what the issue is. Phoebus, I uninstalled and downloaded it again and still get the error. Oh, pop.
Are you on the beta branch though?
Yeah, you have to right click over here. Hang on, I'll do it again. You have to go right click over there. You go to properties here, and then to beta, and you switch it to beta over there. Boop. And when you close it, here it just says beta in there you go. It should say beta like this in in those brackets.
If it says beta at the end in brackets, then you have the right one. You've installed ZOMBIDLE on your phone and Steam.
Oh, you missed that. Okay, cool. We have one last chance.
Thank God.
That's good,
so
that's
close.
good, that's good.
You can't get the 3 badges. So, when you get it on your phone and on Steam, make sure you log into your Berserk account. You have to actually connect cross-platform. Connected to Berserk Pals on all 3. And you don't see the badge icon? Oh, are you like a brand new player? Because they only show up if you used a time portal once.
Yeah.
Oh, removing the damage text helps for lag with... Yeah.
More giveaway, epic loot away, woohoo! Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna clear the list. It was like 350 people. There you go. Clear the list is cleared.
Kirasu, okay. Has not used a time portal, so at least nothing's broken.
Okay, good.
Phobius! It worked!
What? Where? Where do you see that?
It worked! Oh my god!
Where do you see that? Phoebus. Woohoo! It works! Wow! Nice!
Dude! Oh my god, right, I'm so fucking happy.
Push it live.
Push it live?
Push it live.
Okay.
So Phoebus, did you see the error saying like whoops HD thingy restart the game? I guess that you did, right? Oh man, so happy. I wasn't expecting this, to be honest, because you know that error, because of what we said, you know, that error should not have been on the screen if there was a crashing bug before.
Mm-hmm.
But hey, if it works, yay! Yeah, saw that and then
Saw that and it
restarted.
just restarted. Alright, setting to build live now.
I believe I can fly.
Yep, we're good.
I believe I can touch the sky.
Okay, so
There you go.
we don't even have to say anything about betas. We just literally have to say we pushed an update that should fix the problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, bro,
God.
fist, man.
God damn it! This bird is pooping on my file cabinet. I'm so mad.
Oh, okay, frigging 314 for the Spectre Genie code. Okay.
What's happening?
It's stuck. It's stuck on checking codes.
Oh,
You go.
It could be that the server is I don't know. Stupid.
Did you just punch us in the face through our monitors? No! Shut up! I like to punch stuff, including myself. As seen on the trailer. Right. But it's just an idle game. Shut up! No! It's ZOMBIDLE. Shut up! No! That punch is so... I love it.
Okay, I am going to just directly reply to the people who were saying that they had an issue.
Okay. Cool. Cool. I don't know what to do. Fucking punch! Yeah, Arimanian. Fucking punch! Is it only me that think that sometimes you say fucking punch?
A little bit.
Fucking punch.
A little bit, because it's like back on the N64 when it was like kind of compressed audio. Fucking punch! Fucking kick! Boop.
Another giveaway. I kind of lose excitement now. Not lose excitement. I'm still excited, but like I'm a less bit energized now. For how long have I been up now? Like
I don't
6
know.
hours or something.
Uptime. Oh, 1 hour.
No, because
2
I
hours
broke.
because you crashed.
Oh, Phoebus again! Look at that! Phoebus won twice! Nice. You know what? How about we make a code just to give like 10 diamonds to everyone?
I couldn't type in the username.
Martin, can you do that? Since we have twice the same winner, can we do like a code to everyone? Just like an extra code? And give diamonds to everyone?
Oh, fuck.
Lots of codes. I won at this game. Well, go get it, my friend.
Can you double check for me that you can log in to Berserk Pals? And that you can like enter a code? Lurklin just sent me a bug report of somebody saying that they can't log in. So that works. Worked for me, at least for the... Didn't change anything.
This morning, because this morning we found out that you couldn't make two. It was case sensitive, so you could make like latch with the big L and latch with the small L, and still use the same mail with that same that same way, you know. So we removed the case sensitive thing this morning. That was this morning, like at 10 a.m. or something. So it might be something of the sort. If I go in there, yeah, I know. Well, actually, I cannot even type in stuff. Yep.
Oh, fuck.
What the hell happened?
I don't know.
Damn. No.
What?
I really hope it's not that. Jovan is following each other. Welcome aboard. I think we need to recompile the title.
Oh, the...
Yeah.
Yeah, shit, because it's
The embedded thing.
okay.
Pretty sure that's it.
I will push an update immediately.
Thanks.
I'm gonna need you to. Did you change that, or did you change the flash only FLA?
I just only changed the flash only FLA. I didn't push the flash only FLA though. Oopsie.
No, you did not. If you could push that though, that'd be
Okay,
beautiful.
so I'll do that and then recompile the other one, the other FLAs, and this should be good. The text, man, text in Flash is my nightmare. It's the one
I hate
thing I really hate. And to
Title and
this
preloader.
day-
Okay, so I'm gonna recompile title and preloader, and then you said you would handle the other thingamajig, right?
Do what? Hello?
You were gonna handle something?
No, I'm just pushing
Huh?
the FLA.
Oh, you were gonna push your stuff. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
We're both exhausted,
My brain is broken.
right? Nice.
I am a dead man.
Mike is saying, please don't break the game before I leave.
That'd be a problem.
Why
Okay,
would
let
you
me-
leave, Mike? Why, you want to stop working? How about you're fired? Officially stop working, Mike.
Yeah, the password field works fine. Fucking username field, god damn it. Luckily though, it takes me like 2 seconds to
Yeah.
push a Steam build. Like, I'm so elated with how easy Steam is for a developer.
Yep. Alright, pushed.
Okay,
Pushed.
I just tested web. Web works. Web works okay.
You just recompile the title and preloader FLA, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And did you use the same for the code?
Yes, it uses the code uses the male FLA, so the code should be fine.
Okay.
But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new Steam build, and then I'm going to do your trick where you just destroy everything in the ZOMBIDLE folder.
Yeah. It's the best trick ever.
Yeah, I had no idea that works. That's incredible. Projects.
Can't put gun in Steam. Yep, soon. We're working on that like right now. Does
Yep.
the game restrict auto clickers? I tried two and they both don't work.
Shh.
But no, we don't. We actually don't.
ZOMBIDLE Steam is successfully banned stuff.
Da, 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 da.
Okay. So, yes, log out, and then I'm gonna get invalid ticket probably. No, I didn't.
Yay!
Okay, so connect. Nope, fuck. Didn't fix it.
Ah.
So what the fuck? Why?
I'm 100%
Doesn't
sure
make-
that's because of that fucking text field bar.
Probably. Because it worked on web. Web worked just fine. Why wouldn't it work on Steam? And
Try
you
to
only
decide.
did... Yeah, please do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try release HD in it. Because this just thinks it works through itch.io.
Do we need that? insert text one, enter text here. We don't need that, right? Because we have a bunch of thing, you know, here that will probably just override everything.
At this point, I'm too afraid to break anything. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Not logged in yet. Reload in before you do that. Shut up. Release HD in it. How can I test this to make sure that it works? Because debug web works.
Oh man, my office is a mess.
Releasing it desktop just broke. Fuck.
Releasing it desktop won't work. Use balancing in it.
No, I know. I'm looking, trying. Don't yell at me. And I can't just start a Steam build. I'll just try and start a Steam build. I don't give a shit.
You don't need to build another Steam build. I mean, again, if you just open up balancing in it, you can test the bug right there. Yeah, exactly, Phoebus. That's the problem. Okay, so I have something, although they messed the big U. The username wasn't there. What the hell?
Is it working for you now?
Yeah, I remove all the, well, it's working-ish. Look, it says name here instead of username, but...
Oh, the fucking text fields aren't... Yeah.
It's the text field that doesn't have the font. That's the problem. You know?
That is exactly the problem.
If you put the... Only the big U doesn't work. Look at that. A,
okay.
B, C, D.
Hang on. I'm gonna do... I just published the thing. I'm doing clean right now. And I'm gonna try and making a Steam build after I do clean.
Alright.
And I'm gonna see if that fixes it, maybe.
Noob owner is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for the photo. There's a ball sang in over here. What's those name? Is that those one? Got them bold regular. Yep. And Berserk pass, Berserk username. Yeah, that thing over there. Is it the same thing? Got them bold regular. Yep, it's the same thing. Alright, so when I go there, text, font, embedding, go them book, go them bold. If I go there and I go embed, I see uppercase, I see all the stuff. Yeah, beautiful. So if I go there, Zername. I fucking hate font and Flash. Same thing. Look at that. The big U is still not there. If I put U, like I can capitalize everything else except that. A B C D E F G H I J Y whatever. It'll be easier like this. Alright. J. J doesn't work. Font and Flash. Font and Flash. Font and Flash.
Fucking kick.
Yup. Workspace, ZOMBIDLE is the worst error ever. Every time I have to fix fucking text, I'm super mad. Because to this day, I haven't found a way to properly handle freaking text.
It's because Flash is dead.
Flash is dead. But
actually, no, for real. Like with the hacks thing that I'm experimenting with.
Yeah.
I'm very afraid of doing text fields. give me the fucking username. God damn it.
Yeah. Where's the what is it? It's in the mail. All right. Want to go in the mail?
I'm so pissed off right now. I haven't done anything to the title and preloader FLA. Berserk username. This thing. Got them bold. Embed, I guess? Yeah, it's set to embed as Gotham Bold. I don't know, fuck it. I'm just gonna do publish.
This one wasn't embedded. The fuck? Okay.
Publish, and then I'm gonna do title and preloader, run it through the Flash Unity tool.
I have a bug and I need help. I just discovered that my 2 forged candies disappeared from my inventory. I got a 6 candies in the item download. Well, 5. Please help. I have all the other items for the event. Can we send this guy the item individually?
Yeah, we can send him some diamonds. Diamonds are items. And I really hope we fix this, like, soon. Clean. Zip builder.
Fucking night with fonts and flash. Something. Shall we my eyes are burning. I see lights. No, username. Same fucking thing here. Okay.
The badge window can be opened several times. Yep. This is a known issue.
Every time with those fonts, I find a fix, and then sometimes it just work, you know? It's like, oh, it works now. What did I do? I have no clue. And then I'll leave it there, and 6 months later, it's rebug, you know?
The stupidest thing about this entire endeavor is that it works on web. I launched debug web, I can log into Berserk Pals, and it works fucking fine.
Do you see username or just surname?
Yep. I see username. It's the same. Nothing has changed. But I run a Steam build, or not run a Steam build. I export a Steam build, replace it in my Steam library, and then I run it through Steam, and no, it's just empty. I click on it, I can't type anything. Nothing that I type in appears. It's really pissed off. Very upset. Very salty.
Garbadolo, please send your email accounts, or not your email accounts, but please send your info, those details that you're talking about with the candy items. Please send that to feedback@zombidle.com. All right, so we won't lose track. Right now we're kind of in the middle and trying to fix that issue over here. Whoa! So if you put it there, at least we won't forget about it.
Oh, I forgot to move. Starling HD and Starling. Forgot to move those. Platforms, Steam, bin,
I wonder if I discard my last width, if it will work. This was all that flash full, that thing over here, was all this guy here fault.
If you find something that works and you just push it, I will be really happy.
Yeah.
Can't cross-play Steam account. Yes! We're working on that. We're doing it. We're doing it live.
We're doing it live.
Still haven't eaten anything.
I think you can push back to the other account though, on Steam. I think you can say that the last build will be the live one.
You know what? I'm gonna look at that right now while we fix
Yeah,
this.
because like we pushed in a worse build
Yep.
than the context 3D thing.
Okay, let me go to builds. Defaults. This one is build. Preview change. New manifest. Can I see a diff of the...
Yay! Username! Yay! J.
It works?
Okay, so it works on my side, yeah. I'm gonna push what I did.
Please do, because very desperate.
It's a flash only thing. That thing over there, I just embedded the text in there as well. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna close all this. Yes, save everything. Source
Yep.
tray.
Please do, and then push the FLA, please.
Yeah, we'll do. I'm pushing all the Swick as well.
Oh, we got another case of accents being used in the Steam thing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Boo.
Yep. Whatever I did just didn't fix it. So.
That's on Berserk Paul though, right?
What's up? What do you mean?
The accent in the name thing. Because I don't want people to be able to put accent in their username. I mean that's
that's a website thing.
Here.
That's a Berserk Pals thing.
Yeah, so on Berserk Ball we should say like no, only A to Z thingy, you know.
Usernames can only contain letters and numbers and all that.
Exactly. Okay, so
No spaces too, because I saw somebody with a space in their Berserk Pal's name.
Yeah.
And it works. It's fine.
It did work, yeah. Although
but it's bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pushing this.
Please do.
Can you see my screen by the way?
Yes.
There's one thing I want to draw attention on. When it's gonna be pushed, I'm gonna show you. Okay, if I go to starting here and then I go over there, the main game thing, the added importation over there. You know, I added those import here, so you might just do Ctrl-Shift-O and remove them, but if you do so, it might break the font embedding thing. Because when you do manually import them like this, Flash like do his magic and say, okay, I want to import some fonts. So I don't think it will break, but if you do clear out those, just double check if it works, you know.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't touch any of the imports, but yeah, I will double check everything.
Yeah.
Did you push it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pull. I'm not gonna touch the Steam builds just yet. I'm gonna make sure that everything works on my side, and then do that. Once everything, because if we can do this real quick, it's so easy to just push a new build on Steam that hopefully the login thing will only have been broken for like 10 minutes. FLA font embed thing.
Should I do a 5? Should I do a 5 now? I'm gonna do a 5.
Luckily,
Sweet.
Nobody has been mad at us about it. We're good. Nobody's mad.
Oh, that's a pretty strong mug.
You're fucking telling me. Okay, I need to discard title and preloader. And the title and preloader Swick.
New and trending, look at that.
Ah,
Nice.
fuck.
Oops.
I have it open.
Does it
Close. Hang on, I'm still pulling your stuff.
work? How about now? Is it working now? Yeah, we got Idol of the... We got Crusader Idol following us.
Nice.
We should make something. We should make something with them.
What do you mean created errors? Piece of trash. Permission denied. Why? Why permission denied? Don't you give me that.
Codename Entertainment, hang on. Why do I know them? Ah, there you go. Less idols. Okay, cool.
Fuck. It's because FTT is open, maybe? What the hell, Source Tree?
Is it not working now?
I'm so sad. Well, the problem is, like, I don't understand why it's telling me that everything in here is read-only.
What?
But I go and I look at the lib and it says read-only, and I'm like, no, you are not read-only. Apply to everything, and it's like, nah, I'm still read-only.
TXZOL, thanks a lot. Guys, really love your game, by the way. Keep it a great work. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate it, especially in that very instant where we're rushing to push another bug fix.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I'm super pale. I'm pretty sure my face is super pale. Super extra pale. Tishy Toxic, follow the channel. Welcome aboard, friend. Thank you very much for the follow.
Atlassian, Source Tree. Run as administrator.
I'm less pale now. Look, it just changed my my audio.
The white balancing a little bit.
There you go, and I have a nice tint. I look like that dude from Dark Souls. Praise the sun! Ah. Solaire.
Jolly cooperation. I mean, I'm not.
Event with Crusader of the Lost Idol would be awesome. Yeah, right?
I don't have it open anywhere, right? No?
You know what? I'm gonna go.
Oh my god, that actually worked.
It works. Nice.
Well, no. I was just able to discard if I ran Source Tree as administrator.
Boo.
Okay, I pulled your stuff. Now I gotta restart FTT.
Your mic is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Crusader. TXZOL, follow the channel. It's official, my friend. We are friends.
It's official.
Idol.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful friendship. Okay, properties. Steam. Desktop. Deploy. Export. Make a new Steam deploy. You loaded the Christmas event. How can you update the app? You can't find the app in the store. You need to open Amazon and uninstall from there? What the fuck? That's really weird.
There you go, guys. I just sent a tweet to Crusader Idol. It said, our fans demand. Our fans demand we do a cross event like we did with 2 CBs for ZOMBIDLE. You in? Nice.
That'd be pretty fucking awesome. Okay. Finished successfully.
It loaded
Release.
the Christmas event. How can I update the app? I can't find the app in the store. What the hell? If you go on zombidle.com/Amazon, right over there, it should be boop right over there. Kingdom Domination, that thing, blah blah. It should be the proper one. Latest update says cross-platform and blah blah blah, all that stuff. So should be the proper one. Should be. Or that I don't know.
Okay.
Background music makes me
Cross-platform. Connect. It says username.
Yay!
I can type stuff.
Push,
Oh
push,
my god.
push.
Yeah.
Check it out.
I'm
on the
gonna
code,
push this.
Though. Check the code. Check the code first. Check the code. Check the code. Are you checking the code?
Check the code? What do you mean check the code?
The code input thing.
Oh yes, yes.
Is the font thing is the same there?
Yeah, I'm gonna double check. I had a problem where it says ZOMBIDLE is no longer compatible with your Fire. I wonder if it like pulled a super old version that it thinks is. Can you update your Fire?
It might be when we change air or something like that.
Yeah, we might have changed the air version around Christmas because we had some issues. I remember that. And now we wait for the next immediate bug report, right? Oh my god, the server's taking so long I can't log into my save. Oh, there we go. If you can't tell, I'm a little stressed.
Does the code work?
Hang on. I'm pulling it up right now. Enter code. Derpy derp derp. Yep.
Okay, good.
Couldn't find anything with that code. How about latch corp?
Put like a capital U and the letter J.
Capital U, capital J, lowercase j. It all works.
Good.
It all.
Perfect.
Someone give me a code. What's the code in chat?
Push it up.
Hang on. I want to make sure that the code works. I want to make sure the code works. Where's the code? Just the code. Code synonymous obese chinchilla.
Sorry.
Checking code. It works. Success. I'm gonna push it.
Yeah, push it up. And we got something. Help! I was saving for the double orbs unique item. Just bought 60 diamonds and now it's gone. Help! How can people buy stuff on the unique item thing? And it feels like people. Reckless DX is for the channel. Welcome. It feels like when you buy the item. I mean, don't check that right now.
I'm not.
I mean, you can just go put a build.
No, I'm not.
Okay, sweet. It feels like when we buy it, we remove the diamond, we save, and then we reward the item. So if the guy can stop the game right there, like close the game, for example, it will save the state where it wasn't rewarded yet. So it will work if you wait for 5 minutes, you know, for the next manual save. It looks like that, but I highly doubt that.
That could be what's happening. I know that also what might be happening is people are... Shit, I need to... It'll kick me out of Steam. Hang on. I'll try to answer you.
Focus on the thing and I'll take a look at the code.
Okay. I think it might also be a cross-platform synchronizing thing.
Okay.
Where basically it says that okay. Oh hey, a bunch of the text is updated. Title and preloader is updated. .assets, .xml, texture packer assets. It worked for me. Okay, I'm gonna push this to the beta before I do anything just to make sure, because it did change a bunch of languages and it did change title and preloader, asset, XML, XML, but it didn't change the picture. It didn't change the PNG.
No, it says diamond here and then add the items over there.
Okay, manifest looks good. But yeah, I think it might also be a thing where it's like you save it on your phone and then you go take a look at somewhere else and it doesn't work.
Okay.
But in that case, you would still have your diamonds because it would be an earlier save.
Streamer Bridget won't log in. Is that been going on for a while? I don't know. I haven't looked at Streamer PG for a while.
I haven't either.
Yeah, very solid. We've been super solidly focused on ZOMBIDLE.
I really want to have this tool automated because I keep forgetting to put like patch notes for each of the releases. So I have like 4 builds on Steam now that just say, you know, release build for ZOMBIDLE. Version 37. Okay, builds. This latest one. Push it to beta.
Lucky Wildfire, we're working on that very thing right now. We're pushing the fix. Is there a current issue with the iPad version that's installed and I cannot get past the loading page for local and remote save? Are you trying local or are you trying remote? If you click remote, you have to have Game Center installed, because sometime on some device the Game Center thing does not get installed or something like that. So you have to be sure Game Center is over there as well.
Also,
yeah.
Some people are having issues with it going in with the new version of iOS 2. Game Center is like included in the operating system. If you go into settings, there's actually a setting for Game Center.
Okay.
And if you check that, I'm not sure what he did, but somebody said that doing that fixed it. Like making sure that he was logged in and he was allowed to actually play.
Game Center. Yeah, we're using that, my friend. Hello, Berserk developers. Hey, Spark, how you doing? Thanks for the follow, by the way. My eyes are burning like two dying suns.
Okay. I just pushed the new version to the beta. I just want to make sure that it works before we push it again, and it should work. Oh my god, it should work. I'm gonna be so happy if it works. Properties.
If it works on your side. Oh, update queued.
Yep. If you're still for the beta tab. Oh my god, just finish downloading!
Boom. Finished on my side.
Mine is sitting at 93% and it won't go any higher. Play. 14 seconds. 22 seconds. 30 seconds.
Playing right now. Play game. Yay!
A minute and 3 seconds. What the fuck?
Thanks to you guys for this great game and possibly for cross-platform. Dude, thank you very much for supporting us for all this year plus.
Die.
We're doing this for you guys. Cross-platform connect. Boom. Launch. Yay! It works, man.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Push that live.
I'm sorry. I want to double check on my side real quick. Because I just switched to the beta tab. It's going to download 3 files and then it'll be done.
T Frigging says, I sort of figured out what was going on with my codes. For whatever reason, it's the PC I'm playing from. Maybe like a firewall or something? No. That's pretty weird.
Beta! I'm in the beta.
Test and double test and push. Yeah, Velvet Glove.
How many builds have you pushed today? Like 6? Well, that depends on if you mean builds that fix things or builds
that breaks things.
Yeah, builds that fix things or builds that break things. And it's two very different things. Okay, cross-platform connects. Connect to Project TSL. It works.
Yay! Push! We have no choice.
We have no choice. Let me make sure mail works. I want to make sure mail works. I want to make sure. It's gonna take 30 seconds. Reply. Give me my reward. The chinchilla reward. Where the fuck is the chinchilla?
Can I drink a beer now?
I think everyone in chat has earned a beer, unless you're not over 21 or in a country where you can.
In that case, do drugs. I mean, what?
Oh fuck. Okay, it works for me.
I look like I'm so tired. I look stoned right now. I'm pretty sure people are like, dude, that guy that looked like Shaggy and Scooby Doo looked stoned right now.
Zip build live. Do it!
Berserk endorsed drug use. Yeah, I should make like a... The opinion of Lash does not reflect Berserk Studios.
Okay. Properties. Betas. Go back to none. Close. Okay. It should be fixed. Everyone should have the build that not only fixes the Starling error, but also fixes the thing that we then just broke.
Yeah. Oh man, I really hate that I really hope that text field thing will be gone or will be fixed forever.
Yeah, same. Oh my god.
That's not your normal look. Well, I look less tired usual. Although, yeah, after a long day, I'm very super tired. Sorry.
Is there an update that I didn't get for Steam? Because I just went back to the old version.
Why does Devil Deal cost bloodstones in the Steam edition? Because if we had the possibility to watch ad on Steam, we would have been crucified. The reviews would have been super bad, and it's actually quite impossible. Like, we could have done it, the watch ad thing, but it would have given us like pennies. So we just said, like, you know, fuck it, let's just make a non-ad version. And you actually can earn more ways. There's actually more ways to earn bloodstones now. So just by progressing in the game, by watching the stream, or by watching the podcast. Every 2 weeks we have a podcast bloodstones reward. So you get like 3 or 5 bloodstones every time we do a podcast, you know. So yep.
Can you guys double check for me that the main branch, the one that's live right now, if you just get the game,
Yeah.
can somebody please double check for me that that one works?
You pushed everything to live?
Yes.
Alright. Doing it now.
Because I just changed. Okay, so I was able to log in there.
The last dibs is probably gonna. It probably would break the TOS actually. It probably would break it. I don't know.
It works. Because
Yeah,
codes
Steam
don't work
doesn't
for me.
allow- Exactly. Steam doesn't allow that stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't allow that. Pretty sure, but you know, even if it did, the reviews will be super bad. Cross-platform connect. Oh no!
Yeah, what the fuck?
Did you push it or?
Yeah, but... Yeah, I don't understand what the fuck happened, because the beta version and the default version are the same build. Let me go back to beta
Okay,
and
so
see if...
maybe you forgot to push the. Anyway, I'm gonna let you there.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Almost there.
We're so close. It works for me. Works. Fix it, break it, same thing. Yeah, basically. Okay, so if I switch to the beta branch, it's working.
Okay.
But if I switch to the main branch, then it doesn't work. Okay, that's fucking weird. Lost Ims, it works. Stankball, worked for me. Force the update by closing Steam and opening again. Yeah, I might have to do
Okay.
that. I might have to do that, because if I go to betas and I switch to the none beta, it does update Q, but it doesn't tell me. The main is not updated yet. No, it has been.
Ah, there you go.
'Cause
Yeah, it's downloading now. It didn't when I switched. It didn't when I
didn't.
switched.
Okay.
Let me check.
Update just came.
Droof is saying, love you in game, keep it up, thank you. One suggestion with the item upgrade, such as take the hero's face instead of the name. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, there was actually a debate on this. I actually brought it up. To put the item's face, but we didn't. We ended up not doing that because it didn't feel like an item. It just felt like the profile's face, you know, instead of being an actual item. But with that being said, we might You know, it will break later on in the game because sometimes we only see like the icon and that's it. So if we make like a double icon, it'll start to be messy. But yeah, definitely gotta keep something in mind because there are some items that are monsters item, like specifically only for monsters, and we just want to make a huge cleanup into all that system. And shut up, latch and tests. Yeah, username, it works.
It works? You can type stuff? What the fuck?
Yeah,
Okay.
you just have to close Steam and bring it back up.
Okay, let me try doing that then.
Like, I just went, like, not closing this thing. You have to go in there on the top left and say, like, quit here.
Yeah, exit Steam. That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Force closed all the background stuff. Now you can type in mail codes. Oh, fucking thank God.
Yay!
Dude, if we got it fixed that quickly.
Yeah, people are saying that it all works now.
Oh my God. Okay, well, as long as it's working for people. Because it still didn't download an update for me.
I'm the dev and it doesn't work on my side.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, I got all my badges. Sorry.
Oh, no, I have no idea when it updated, because now I can type stuff in.
Yay! Sweet.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. Let me just double check that mail codes work, and I will be absolutely elated. And the one thing that we never checked, but the one thing that I kind of don't care about right now is the selfies. Okay, that works.
Let me check.
Selfies.
Yep, selfies work.
Selfies. Oh my God. Okay.
Selfie work. Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Okay. We're good. We're good.
Those freaking texts. I remember that we switched everything to Arial for that very reason.
Yeah.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
Because everything was broken, blah blah.
Yeah, we were just like, I hate text. All right.
Use
so
all bloodstones. Svini should say like use a bloodstone, not all bloodstones.
Might be in another language.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe it says.
Give me that chest. Are you ever gonna? Sorry. Are you ever going to let us take selfie using the camera? I was actually thinking about that last week. To have a way to take the camera and do it. That'd be nice. That would be like a lot of work to do.
It would be a tremendous amount of work.
Yeah, right. It gave me the option to use 80 bloodstone. I have only 80. No. 80 was the it shows how much you had, not spend all of them. So it says like I just showed it on the screen right now actually. Next time I use a scroll, I'm gonna show you. It says no and use a bloodstone, and it shows how many bloodstone you have.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a little text next to it that says how many you currently possess. Okay, now I can go back and tell all the people having cross-platform issues that it works.
Yay. That issue was only on Steam, right? Not on
Yes.
web, not on iOS. Yeah,
Yes, that was the only place that we pushed anything. Web should still work, like we didn't touch anything with web.
Sweet. Jesu, love the game! And Caps, well, I love you! And Caps back. Thanks for playing, man. So, how do we do with scrolls on Steam? Are they bloodstones only for now? Exactly. Quick, adjust your color filter again. You're looking like you're ready to go to the morgue on Smorg. Kidding! But you guys are busy hammering out fixes and sound exhausted. Don't work too hard. How about a beer o'clock? No? Yeah, I do agree though. It's beer o'clock. It's beer o'clock, but I just wanna wait a bit so nothing's on fire. Nothing's on fire still.
I think I think we might be good though, because we fixed the issue with login, we fixed the issue with the context 3D,
Yeah.
and the context 3D.
It's
That was like the only.
we should be, but we were should be yesterday and all the day before that. So just in case. FNG Kirojin, man, thanks for the follow. Why does the web version not work on ZOMBIDLE website? Well, let's check that out. ZOMBIDLE.com.
What's on fire now?
What's on fire?
Okay, I just told the people on the Steam community that we pushed an update that should fix that.
Yay. How many people are playing on the Steam community now? Can't we see like community here? Is that it? No, it was here community. Whoa, almost 1,000 people playing on Steam.
Jesus.
Nice.
Oh, and now the congregate system, it's working.
Huh?
The tracker that we have, it's working for everything now.
Nice. So you saw some sales as well over there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So I just wanted to make sure that that's working, and it looks like everything is. So I'm so.
So for Steam, for ZOMBIDLE on Steam right over there, I can see it works. It also disconnected me from the other one. So ZOMBIDLE.com here works. So I don't know what happens on your side, my friend, but let me know. Let us know. Gonna stop this. I can't log into BP via Steam version. It says servers would be temporarily down. Try again later. I don't know much about that.
Berserk Pals. I hope we're not overloading it.
PC Mayhem. I've seen way more fucked up release days. Good job, guys, especially for your first Steam release. Thanks, man. Thank you very much.
I mean, at least we aren't releasing Diablo 3.
Oh my god, shots fired. When I close the game on Steam, the games continue to run in the background and I cannot open it again because it's already running. So if you do this, boop, you cannot reopen it. Like this. Can you, if you do this one here, can you try to do it by pressing escape instead? So like, for example, I'm here in the middle of the game, I press escape and then escape, save and quit, and you go like yes. Boop. Will that work? Dancing Angel. Dancing Angel. The Genjal. Dancing Angel. Welcome aboard, and also well we ripped. Well we rip. Follow the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Who's talking to me? Takrim, yup. Takrim, we know that. FYI, on Steam it's not saving my resolution setting. We're using the local save for this actually. So if the game doesn't save locally, let's do two separate systems, like the one that we save on the server and the one that we only save locally. So if you play from different computer, for example, it won't save that. The reason is we want to save some bandwidth. We just want to not have your save file, just have like those options for every single platform or stuff like that, you know? So, and since it's not that bad if it doesn't save it, well, no, on your side, you're not losing progress, no? What? What's up,
I should not have opened my email. I should not have done that.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna cry.
You can take a break though, Kojak. You've been up since like 9 AM, which is like 2 AM for you. But yeah, we're gonna look at the local thing. Well, we rip. Is it because you're playing on different computer, or it's like on your singular computer that doesn't work? You can always check that out really quick. Like full screen, I go like this, I go like this, I quit the game, and then I reopen it.
Yeah, Larklet, that was a huge mistake. Oh man. But luckily,
escape exists and close the game, but still runs in the background. The only way I can reopen the game is if I open the task manager and go, what the hell? It seems that there's a problem with saving the game or something.
maybe? I mean...
On a single computer. Okay, well, we rip. Yeah, look, I just tested up on my side and everything is okay. Although that doesn't mean I don't trust you, I don't believe you. That's not it. The thing is, I'm trying to reproduce the bug on my side and see how to replicate that so we can fix it. Now I can't, so I'm probably gonna be like some local change thing. So probably like permission or something.
That's what I'm thinking.
Like the
I'm thinking maybe
like that.
Steam or the game needs to be run as an administrator, maybe?
Yeah, something like that. We saved
Podcast
those,
button.
change that. We saved those changes. Hang on, if I go there. ZOMBIDLE platform Steam release. ZOMBIDLE Steam. Better be here. No, I thought it was in there. I know it's like in the user and all that stuff.
Yeah, we save the info for Air is usually saved in like your local user directory.
Yeah.
So I don't know where that is. ZVES, like you can do the password but not your name. Restart ZOMBIDLE or restart Steam. We just fixed that.
Is there any way to get the mobile batch on Windows Phone? Right now, no. Just because the Air doesn't support Windows Phone. So, yeah. On Windows Phone, we're just waiting on Air. You know, there's a petition, or there's a couple of... not a petition, but a couple of developer that requested that for Air. But, yeah, we'll just have to wait Air to support it. And it was like, hey, can you do it, please? Man, that's it. Yes, thanks for the iPad info. Got it. Sweet, HT balls. Glad to hear that, man. General question: any ideas in store for expanding the character development of the Bat Swarm? We actually had an idea this weekend. We were speaking with Etienne, and since it's just a bunch of eyes, we were thinking about making it, instead of the fancy British character, which was kind of slap on top of it, making kind of an oracle that knows everything. Like, we know everything, we are the truth. But the bribe of the little thing of information, the little snippet of information that gives you is always super obvious thing. You know, like sometimes dogs are brown. Stuff like that, you know. I saw a mountain once, and there's exactly 347 X on Earth, you know, all the stuff that you just don't care. So, I don't know, we just love about this omniscient, like, he knows everything, he's an oracle, he knows the past, the future, and but he's just stating super obvious things. So, we could expand that to a lot of joke, actually.
Yeah, I love that idea.
And you know, when you fucked up, you always there with insight and say, "Hey, you should have done that." You know? Oh no, it makes me laugh.
You know, we could do that.
Yeah,
we could do that because Etienne had the idea of like the monsters talking to each other with the speech bubbles,
yeah.
And we could do that. Like if you fail a boss battle or like fail an event or something like that, just the red knight pops up. You shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, exactly. Should have done that. You missed it because of X, Y, and Z.
You missed it because you didn't do enough damage.
It could be like the obvious tutorial.
Yeah.
Oh man, like he pops up and just tells you like super obvious thing, you know. Shut up! Hey, Mega Man! That's a hole! Don't fall in the hole or you die! Okay.
Hey, listen.
Yeah, hey, listen.
Fat kid lover. Take care, man. Captain Obvious.
Hindsight Oracle, there was a mistake on your part. Don't do that again.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, listen.
Do more damage.
Do more damage. a good way to kill monster is to deal damage. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, I guess. Did you know item are super useful?
That would be pretty amazing.
Did you know we recommend that you use strategy to beat this game? Have you tried strategic decisions?
Have you tried tapping?
Have you tried tapping? Because I feel that it could be like way more jokes in that.
There's so many options for this.
Yeah, more than the British thing, you know.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why the podcast button doesn't show on Congregate? Maybe because you clicked there, it's somewhere else?
It could also be just a web thing, because like sometimes it just doesn't show up for whatever reason.
Sorry, the chat really loved the idea because we get like very awesome ideas. Bob the Bard says like ZOMBIDLE is a game of number. Bigger number or better. You should get bigger numbers. And Theoretical Fung sent hint. Doing more damage does more damage.
I'm so on board with this. Oh,
man, I love it.
Dude, we have almost 100 reviews on Steam.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
Yup.
Do a barrel roll. Can I go to sleep?
I feel
now?
like, yeah, I'm right there with you. I'm like, just gonna go pass out. Maybe eat something. Wonder how we're doing on the store page too.
Nice. Don't do it.
I shouldn't. I'm addicted to the F5. I'm addicted to the F5.
Mr. Jack.
Get food, maybe alcohol, then sleep. Get some sleep, guys. It's been a great release.
By the way, Berserk Ball 2 was awesome. Thanks, man. Thank you very much. I haven't worked on Berserk Ball 2, so I will redirect this to Mark, man. Wow, I have the attention of a squirrel right now. It's going to lose 3 badges again after combining again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this isn't as it should be. Yeah, no man Neskio. We know that actually. We know that it's a problem, but we won't push an update for that because it will take like a lot of work. Hard Kern, and as you can see, sometime when we push an update, we break other stuff. So we just said like, you know what? Well, there we go. We can have 4 badges. You know, we can do that.
Yep.
It's a bug. So we're probably just what we're gonna do in the future. Probably just gonna say like, if you try to craft the badge a second time, if you try to craft the badge a second time and just make a little error, you know, instead of just like instead of saying yes, you can do it. But yeah, at least you cannot exploit that too much because you cannot stack infinite amount of multiply by 2 white orbs. So there's a bug. It's totally our fault, but take it as a gift. You can have even more white orbs than we wanted to.
Yep, an extra 60%.
I have some frame drops on PC. Sometime 5 FPS. Normal?
Occasionally, it depends on what the game is doing. Like, if it saves or something and there's a lot to save, or if it's, like, taking a while to hear back from the server.
Yep.
That could be it.
If they try to create a second batch, delete 50 of their orbs. There we go! That's nice game dev. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Perfect. Oh my god, I'm so happy that Congregate said yes and that we were able to just do it. So yeah, this update, honestly, I don't think it could have gone better.
Yeah.
We were only gonna run into that Context 3D thing by releasing to everyone. Like, that's just the thing of it. But they don't show all the items in each dump, and you have to switch between the maps to see everything is as intended. Yes. Yes, we wanted to split up the items to prevent new players from just being, like, slammed with 5,000 diamonds worth of purchases. So now, the first one you find has a couple of cheap stuff in it. I think it, all told, spends like 150 diamonds, maybe, to buy all the Easter stuff. And then after that, it's got, like, each event that we ran is in a different dump.
I totally forgot to tell you that, Shane, but I really love the balancing on that, by the way. On the first item done, like I played, like I started a new game here. By the way, I have 2 games. I have my official game on iPhone, but when I want to play the my new game, just to test everything, I play on Latch here. So the cool thing is, like, I continue my big game like this, and whenever I want to try this game on mobile, I log in to Berserk Balls, I continue this game, and then I just log out, so I go back to this save. So it's super handy, you know. I can deal 2 save files with that.
Yeah, I'm super happy that, like, because I remember the moment that we realized the most elegant way to handle save files.
Ah, yeah.
And it was just that, like, light bulb moment.
Yeah.
Oh, so perfect. I'm gonna give ZOMBIDLE Fire app a couple of days, see if you can update. Yeah, try, like, updating your tablet or something? I'm sorry, I don't actually know that much about the Kindle stuff.
Look at that, like, I have 134 diamonds because of the diamonds we got for the mails and everything. But, no, I don't know, should I get this, should I get that? 8-bit Super Cur, he's following the channel, welcome aboard. So, this is, like, perfect. You know, I have a nice choice in there, you know? I'm totally gonna buy this one, by the way. Boom. There you go, I have it now. So, yeah, you did a good job there.
Thank you, man.
And that's cool because when I'm going to be unlocking this one, the boat, I'll have access to 2 new item dump. So now I'll be able to spend some diamonds on new item that will make me progress further. Even though I cannot clear those worlds, I can see the item, like the shop of that new village. So it makes it a very more interesting feeling to it, you know. You unlock a new world, you unlock new items as well. So for new users, it's really, really cool.
Yeah, I really like that too. And the items are all themed, like, completely differently. So we don't gate them behind a lot, just enough.
I'm going to give. Okay, so he said that sometimes when a computer tries to run the prompt from administration, it does a quick black screen. And this is craft itself. There's a white screen everywhere. However, now it's fixed. Yeah, okay, we love that fix. Yeah, WWS Splat. Yeah, that's all Kojak, by the way. Like, it was a big problem that we had since a long time. Sometime it fucked up, and it was a very deep, like, we're talking about our custom engine rendering image problem. It was a very deep bug, but Kojak uses brain power and been able to fix it. last week. So in the worst case, whenever the game just break for some reason, it's gonna fix itself back. You know, it's gonna reload the texture and everything will show. It will get back. So that's what you saw. So on those very rare occasion that the game breaks, well, that bug happened. The game is gonna fix itself now.
That was an ordeal to get it to do that. Kojak uses brain power. It's super effective. Yeah, oh man. That was one of those things where I felt like, after I figured it out, I felt like, you know, Sherlock Holmes or some shit. Just like, I've solved the case.
Nice. Yeah, you get hooked to that, right, as a coder?
Mm-hmm.
Those dopamine rush, and then you're like, oh my god, I find it! I cannot explain that to anyone. I'm alone with my pride. Like, whenever I try to explain that to my wife, she see the smile on my face, and she's like, well, good for you. She don't know, like, she don't understand what's happening.
Yep, and you're just left with, like, a poker face.
Yeah,
it's like,
exactly.
alright. Well. Oh,
Good
man. That's
you.
actually, like,
Good boy.
it's one of the reasons why I fucking loved TwitchCon, is just because
Yeah.
I got to meet everybody else that I've been talking to on Twitch. You know, like Quasi and Gavin. Gavin? I'm fucking brain dead. I don't remember if that's his Drunk Devs.
Yeah, Devin?
Gavin?
Gavin.
That's his name, right?
Gavin. Yeah.
We were both super dead.
Oh my god.
But yeah, it was like, you just reference those little moments. Like, you know, when you just, everything just like works, like all the pieces just come together. Such a good feeling. But that's kind of how I felt when I went to our database and I took a look at the tracker and I'm just seeing like tracks, like things populated.
I haven't checked that out again, actually. Sorry.
Go take a nap, guys.
Oh man, I saw that my face.
The guy that talked about the crash on startup. Holy fuck, you guys fixed the problems in less than a day.
Nice. I was just in a game that talking nice.
Oh, on the community hub. Awesome. I'm super happy that you got my message.
Claps for Gavin himself. Nice. You guys deserve like claps from Gavin himself. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna call it the end of the show. Goodbye. I cannot top that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. No, I'm kidding, but yeah, like, yeah, it will be hard to top that.
Yeah, man. Oh my god. All right. If we customize the airship, we have to call it Pimp My Blimp. I'm so on board with this.
Oh, man. That's not that funny, but I don't know. At this point right now,
I'm right there with you, man.
You could have said anything, and I think I will burst out laugh right now. We could have jogged him like penis boat, and then I would laugh like, it's the best joke ever. But Pin My Blimp, I love it though.
The problem is when you said penis boat, like the first thing that popped into my head is that picture of a sad penis that I think you said Mark drew. And I was just like, that being held up by the giant balloon.
Oh, nice. Yeah, there's a lot of weird penis drawing coming from Mark. I asked him to make me a level for the Ships and Meats, and he made me like a bunch of designs and everything. And at the end of the level, he drew like a huge, ugly penis, and it was like, it's so beautiful. It like made me laugh every freaking time. But do I have it? I need it. Fuck it. There we go. It's like the best ever. I'm gonna
like
close
the
it because I don't want to get banned from
blows you
Twitch.
blind.
But like, but it feels so good when they even match it up with the song. And you know, before that, the song is all like rah, 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 all in your face and everything. And then he just made that penis and just like all tired and like he run a marathon or something. But now, two more, man. Thanks for the follow. Every time I open the FLA, I don't know why, but the timelines always start on the penis, on the penis frame. So every time I'm like, okay, I'm gonna check out my design, bam, right in my face, and I'm like every time I just start laughing. And I'm like, thank you, Mark, thank you so much. Oh man,
It's a thing of beauty.
yeah. Was that the new
my
minion? Yeah, that's a nice
Yeah.
next monster.
It's Kark.
What the hell, action friends? Nice. I go out for like 3 seconds to come back and stare at a penis. I'm greatly satisfied with this stream.
3 hours and counting. We have been streaming for way longer than 3 hours.
Yeah, I started at 10, 11 or something like that.
Yeah. We've been streaming for like 7 hours now.
Yeah.
Maybe
something
8
like
hours.
that. Can we not put that in the game? Yeah, no. The penis won't go in the game. Like I like those child humor, but never in my game actually. We barely say. I think there was only one game that we said fuck in the game, or shit, you know, and it was The Breach. The Breach was an 18 thingy, 18 plus game, you know. But usually we like nonsense humor or violence that make like humoristic violence. But we try to not swear in the game.
And there's a big difference between like over the top B movie-esque gore and like actual swearing and like adult content.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Penis in the game, but thinks of Kizzy.
You guys deserve a reward for making a game that runs smoothly on your computer, and your computer is 10 years old! Oh my god.
You guys deserve a reward for making a game that runs smoothly. Oh yeah, nice.
That makes me so happy.
Sweet. Why Lash Devil Deal still talk about ads on Steam? Fix it, goddammit, you lively punchable son of a bitch. I don't know. I will direct that question to Jesus. Okay, I'm dead. I think I'll call it. even you, Shane. I can feel the exhaustion in your voice. Yeah, I think that we're starting to make no sense. I think we're gonna call it a day, guys. And we have Dragon Kobold following the channel. We actually have to go. On a business meeting with Mike and Mark, just to talk about business and stuff. Business stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I mean, I think everything is stable now. I think everything is good.
Oh my God. Mike, are you shitting me? Is that the thing that's keeping us from that threshold? Only
What?
3 negative reviews on Steam. 1 is a bug report, keeping us from overwhelmingly positive.
Oh yeah. Well,
Oh my god.
why?
If there's
is-
anybody in...
on this freaking.
If there's anybody in chat that can give us a good review.
Does it? Is it because like it needs to be like that amount of percentage of good review?
I don't know.
Probably, right?
I don't know. Because it didn't hit very positive until we hit like 40 reviews or something. But yeah, I don't know. If we have to...
96%
if we have to
of
have,
the
like-
97 users are positive. Nice.
If we hit like 100, maybe it'll say overwhelmingly positive. That would be amazing.
So,
Wait for mine, you filthy devs. Chilling detected. Sellouts. Hashtag just greedy developer things.
Yeah, this greedy developer. What have you done, Kojak? We had it. I was about to call it quit, and then you blew it up. You maniac. You blew it up. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I think it's time to say goodbye. I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go get some food and then just like pass out on the couch.
Yep. And I have another stream tomorrow.
Yeah, you have the Adobe stream, and then I have a stream tomorrow too.
All right. Good guys. I'm gonna put the outro. Kojak, thank you very much for being there for the entire day, man. Thank you very much
dude.
for waking up
problem.
super early this morning for all the support. Special thanks to Larkland as well. Larkland, you're a trooper, man. You're always there. You're always moderating everything. You send like lots of posts. Please, everyone, send some love to Larkland, our awesome moderator, awesome community manager. I don't know. I want you to give you like an official super title, like bottom lieutenant, admiral, commander, community manager, something like that. I don't know. Captain, awesome, whatever. You deserve more than what I can say with words. Thank you very much.
Seriously,
man.
He was here. Oh my god, bird explosion. He was here the whole day, answering just as many questions as you and me, helping people out,
Yeah.
sending codes. Dude is a machine.
Larkland's the best.
All while at an actual job.
Filthy devs, go check my review. Did you make a negative review? That'd be nice. Like, wait for my review. This game suck. Like,
Yeah.
I just refreshed it. I can see it. Recently posted. Darkland. I think it's gonna be like later, I guess.
Yeah, I think it has to like cache some stuff because I just refreshed it. I didn't see any change either. So.
Sweet.
But yes, all of you guys, even if we can't see it right now, it helps amazingly. It helps so much.
Ugh, sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep. No. Alright. Thanks, man, Larkland. And Larkland too, but Shane. Thanks, Shane.
Not a problem, dude.
Have a good night, man. Crackles, treat yourself good tonight. A beer, a glass of water. I don't know what's your thing, but do it twice.
You too, man. Holy shit.
See ya, man.
Later.
Alright, and I'm gonna switch to the outro now. Because everything has an end now. After 7 hours of streaming, you guys are the best. Thank you very much for being there, guys. I think we had consistently 200 viewers and more, like up to 300. Like every time for the past 7 hours. There was a lot of viewers. Thank you very much for all the bug report. Thank you very much for being there from the beginning, man. It was a lot. Like it's a successful release. I'm really happy of the release on Steam and everything. I'm really happy. It was more than what I expected, and there's a huge part on you guys. You sent the upvotes. You made the reviews. You gave us bug reports. You took all the codes. You made it self-popular. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much for playing our games. You guys know that ZOMBIDLE is there partly to support the entire team. The money that comes from that money that we get from ZOMBIDLE serves to support the entire team, actually. So it's like a 2 or 3, well, 4. We're 4 employees working on ZOMBIDLE, but the entire team of Berserk is up to 7 and 8 people, you know. And ZOMBIDLE's rev helped the entire team to keep us making console games like Just Shapes and Beats and Bloody Muscle as well, you know. So to see that working on ZOMBIDLE, to see all the support we receive from you guys, it's really... I make games for my job, you know. That's freaking awesome. So I owe you all a big thank you. So thank you very much once again. And I'm gonna leave on those beautiful sentences, beautiful words. You guys are the best, especially you. Goodbye. Where's that freaking button? There you go.